Who will tell us who is Bally? Bally gonna sit there and say, hey, you know, Bally is a humble guy. Somebody say, humble guy. Okay, go and watch the Comore. First of all, in the same two breadstone, Bally don't refer to himself as me. Bally refer to himself in the third person.
Yeah.
So when Bally does this, and Bally does that, and Bally does whatever, I start laughing. I say, oh, this brother is a humble man. Well, you cannot be a humble man and refer to yourself in the third person.
They have all the good stuff.
Onair.
Wagwan, bro.
Yeah. But there, evening time, big up everybody. Is it me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, a few persons reach out to me from time to time and say, you know, you can't just post a picture or play a video so we can know some of the racers and, you know, which car is it that they drive. You know, so.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So I just run that video a while ago so persons can, you know, tie the car in with the face. But
Right.
let's go straight into things. How things, bro? What you up to?
Why? This whole COVID thing have everything slow. Really, I'm say really slow. Because the car was Spanish Town and I live in Kingston.
Yeah.
So I work for it over my father. So, you know, the whole thing can't get to go over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Same. But I mean, other than that, you know, you're staying safe and.
Yes, man. Wait, so I stay by myself. I was never a person who hang out with too many people, you know.
Zane.
Ever, you know. You understand? I stay by myself most times.
Same.
Right.
All right. So it is now 11 minutes after 8, and we won't waste any time. We'll go straight into it. Now,
Right.
I know you have a list, you know, on here. I know you have a list of things. What the list is?
If you tell me Monday, give me 1 second, I'm grab the list. Stop the list, man.
Okay, so in the meantime, while on here is getting his list together.
My man is right here, so all right, you're ready.
All right, you ready now?
Let me jot down some things that we want to discuss, because my life's not going to be the conventional life. We're going to talk about other people's lives, talk about my car, and every little thing. We touch from the fans to the man on stage, to the racer them, to the hype man them, everybody we're going to touch upon tonight.
Yeah. So it's all like say some can are gonna get robbed, so.
But here dig though, I want to take it as a constructive criticism.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I'm not really there for make you vex, but there's some little things that people need to talk about overall.
All right. Fair enough. I mean, you know, we're all grown folks, and I mean, this life is not to beat down anybody. We all want to take away something positive from it. You understand?
Exactly.
Yeah, man. So, but before we start, me have to big you up on that seat that's still, you know, the chair that body.
Yeah, well, actually, the red, black, and white one over here. Then they can see. It's a white.
Yeah, man, we see it, man. We see it.
Everything, you know. My girl always say, boy, if me pick up a ship with the guess a color what I love, should I say red? But you know, you go already.
Yeah, man. All right. So we are gonna allow you to go into your list, you know. But before you do that, just give us a quick introduction. You know, who is Onair Gallow?
All right, Onair Gallow. But now I got to listen, I'm humble. I go with that shit house then to say, yo, you know, I'm a humble guy, and then refer to myself in the third person. But we soon get that address. I'm a Mr. Nobody. Because I've tried racing before,
Yeah.
And the career just never build. I decided to take it on myself, to build my own car, I do my own thing, move up the line. But for the most simple, I think me easy to get along with. One of them people will probably talk, first thing will come to their mind, not to hurt their feelings, but sometimes come up a bit abrasive. But for people who know me, I guess I'm a pretty cool guy, based on what them said. Oh yes, I'm an internet mechanic and a YouTube specialist. Always remember that.
All right, sir. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. All right. I know you have a very long listener, so here what happen. Let me not waste your time. I'll hand over to you. Go into your list, boss.
All right, cool. First, we're going to start off with the first car. I have a little turbo started when I get. With like full TRD setup from Japan back in the day. And them time I got U-Tech, you know? Drive a little start, you know, a little orange light just come on and the car get mad. I say, yo, this is the best thing since sliced bread, you know? Whenever I come forward, we used to go race all about the place. As in like from Manor Park and up Ligani side and do the whole works. Anyway, we catch you, as a light dropper, we catch you, we are going to race you. You get me? But never to the one where go Vernam and do anything special. My parents are like, yo, no, you're not going down here to race no car, you understand? Usual schoolboy thing and you crash, mash up in a life, license take away. For a while, we have to walk back, build back, do the whole thing.
Serious?
Yeah, man. Start work now and save up and we get a pulsar. Cause from ever since me like how the pulsar them not perform when we used to go watch a race. You know, when, like chicken and then people and the other 11-second pulsar, them say, want a pulsar. So finally me get one coming from Japan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Same pulsar, the orange color pulsar. Matter of fact, I buy the rim before I buy the car. With the past BD Greg and I see some rims in the thing and I pull over and I say, what you say? Love them orange rims, proper. So buy the rim them, put them down till we get the car.
Okay.
Then we did it and a friend of mine introduced me to Damage. And Damage them start do work on a car and thing and I say, why not just race it? And I say, yeah, I don't know for race it, yes, I could do that then no. So him started me want to get what we're gonna do. And we get a little grady blue box and remember eBay turbo, me they buy eBay almost everything, now eBay specialist. Isn't it? From and we put the car together and the car never make 420 as well I'm telling you. But remember how much for the car make. The car make 378 the car make. And as I'm tell him, say, yo, the brake booster never that work. I said to him, say, yo, listen to me. I drive down the car, pan DC plates, on top of that. No, we not drive the car without no brake, go down where. So if you don't fix it, no, I'm not going to race. You understand? Him spend all night and fix it, call me and tell me to go. Go pick up the car and we'll go down. We'll go down, pay the toll, and him say, yo, you don't take a squeeze out for the car. I'm going to say, but that save the car still come now next to the gearbox machine and we know it have a problem. Them car have a problem like that.
Yeah.
So I say, squeeze it man, I'm going to boom and squeeze the car from out of the thing. And I say, yeah, I'm disappointed because I expect more. Honestly, I expect the car to scare me and walk and do the whole work. So it just calm and I say, okay. I not feel so good too. So but after the race we talk about that.
Yeah.
Him say, alright, cool. We'll go race on him. Oh, let me backtrack real quick. Him come to me and say, at the fastest car I come out with that for that meet at that time, right? Him said to me, say, you're on here, I want to race the car, come have a point to prove. Him say, no problem, man. We'll be team player. So I agree with that. So when I go down there, boom, him race the car. We're winning all the way. I think the only race him not lose against the puff against the qualifying. Because I'm telling you, Frosty turn up the game on the Grady boost controller. And and some other little things. But we end up win the class, yeah, cool, me get my money. I think him to keep the trophy. I made it alright with that. But the winner will win the class and Chuko getting teeth kick out. Chuko don't even know say we never wire that car properly and the brake light. We have to disconnect the brake light. So nobody saw when damage enough to brake the car across the line. So the car registered like 86 miles an hour to hold him brake to stay within the 12-second class. Right? So there was no pulling in of that car. Him didn't clear cut, kick out Chuko teeth. Him just if he does take that and go on. You get me?
Okay, yeah, man. I hear you.
So after that though, after the race and thing though, we care about the car in the shop though, it will fit up by the exhaust and all and them little something them. Me get a call to say, yo, the gearbox mash up. I say, yes, sir. Remember now, you know, the only time you squeeze this car, you know, is just from the little tool booth, this come out, you know, that's it. So I say, all right. I say, yo, all right, what we can do? Him suggest say, yo, make we do the, put on the ever gearbox on it. I say, you sure this can do? Him say, yes. I say, one way you're going to need. Him give me the list of things, I go run and Ziggy them. That time Ziggy worked with a guy named Frenchie. Run by Anderson's. And my Frenchie come friend, and Frenchie give me some good prices to buy all of the Evo 8 RS stuff them for that car. I was like, okay, cool. Cut bellows, now buy super well rod, we do everything, mock up every single thing ready. You get me?
Yeah,
ready. To the point, now, I think some hurricane something that happened. And me I saw damage, you can't leave the something them so loose in the place, you know? And the car was there, they put on whole long. After a while, I say, yo, you know, you cannot lose interest now in the project. So in the meantime, I end up sending for a Evo 4 during that time there. And little after that, Roland reached out to me and said, Onair, him want to track the car at Dover. So I said, no problem. I said, here what? Just give me back the money when I spend. I will add up everything and then give me back the money. Cool? Matter of fact, Roland them still women like 17 grand, but I'm going to make that one. And someday, we buy the Evo now. The Evo come, it was a track focus car. So it come with suspension, little knicks-knacks where make it peppy, but the engine they blown. So fix back the engine, and Marcus and Matthew was giving us a hand at that time. Proper support. Them time them just basically I meet Marcus them, and I guess I just love for the sport. Them come and them help. I mean, over Spanish Town, I sleep on back seat outside to get the car ready for go race.
Yeah.
You get me? We do all of that, get the car going. We go race. I think Vance, them should have this big car for Vance at the time too, which supposed to be a 10-second Evo. Them time the 10-second Evo was like 1.5 years. It's a big deal to have a 10-second Evo because the Craig them they have them banana them time. They say you must know how long. Right. When we come out with the Evo, that's the same Evo Frost have now, you know, just for the record.
Okay.
Well, Frost they have, right. Come out with the Evo, and the first qualifying pass was smooth. The time them come out, the car pull like a 1-2 60 foot. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna ease up, cause you know, I'm going to draw the fourth and make the car cruise through the car on 11.7. So I'm come out back now and I said to them, say, yo, I never squeeze the whole thing, you know, I'll go back out there and do what I do. Cool? Go back out, the car locked me out a second. So I said, okay. Go back out there again, lock me out a second. But then damage figure would say Van's car turbo they mash up. You get me? So qualify for 11s, but Van's car turbo mash up. In turn to me and say, Onair, really want to make a statement, you know, with Van's car, you know. Give me a turbo. In time the mirror run a Garrett turbo. Fresh, the series is probably just come out. A Cleavy, they tell me, get that turbo there for a Cleavy. And it was a ball bearing turbo where it's called the Big Kahuna Cleavitel. We don't remember the exact size or something, but it's a decent turbo. Come on, really aggressive and make good power. Now I come and say, yo, please give me a turbo to put my Vans car. I have a point to make. So I said, okay, one more time again. I sacrifice my little race career again. You get me?
Yeah.
Give him the turbo. You know, it take a while to swap off. By the time the whole thing, when name the guy them from JDRC or whatever in DRC guy them say, no, a little bit too late. So all of that was in vain. So one more race meet that come, I'm not get for race my car. Cool? What did I again? We go out again to do something else. The car start giving me a little problem. And it's all I get to the reason why I don't like Evo anymore and turbo car. It's always just one thing after next with the Evo there and me. So we come to Booman, we go again, clutch fail. Then that fail, then the car must be spin a bearing. And I damage the fallout over some little things, and I work on a car, I put a Evo 9 head on it. Car wouldn't start because I never understand the Myvec them time then. Right? And car now start end up on a boat now. We end up take out the thing and the Myvec system from out of the car and just put in some bigger cams and car ready up. We forgot race now. The time I jam with for race.
Okay.
My work in a country at the time, so Bull said to me, say, yo, him carry down the car. So just meet him at jam with. So I said, okay, no problem. Bull said, yo, I'm gonna put on some slicks on the car. I said, do not put on no slicks on the car. It's going to mash up the transfer. You get me? As usual, people don't listen to me. I think one of the reasons may damage they follow, they listening to part. So me I spend on the car, them not listen to me. Boom now, me get a call. The transfer mash up. I say, what transfer from mash up? We put on the sticks that would have test it out on the front. It mash up the transfer. So my vex now. Them say, alright, now I transfer, I put on the transfer, I send down the car. Then put on the transfer and some, but them forget to put oil in the transfer. Or some the drivetrain, them never put oil in it. Boom, the car mash up on the way again now. Okay. So I say, what is? Alright. Scrap the race meet that thing, could go one more time with that over there. We go down, Mr. Tim say, yo, I don't like this clutch here we have on the car now. But I bolt to what I talk about.
Yeah.
See you, first launch on the line, the car mash up the clutch. And I say, okay, what is father? So I decide to say, yo, I'm going to start, I take about the car and work on the car myself. Me and my brethren them. So we go ahead and we do that. Sean Ivy, they tuned the car at that time. The car make like 600, I think it was 40 something. At 45 pound of boats. 640 at 45 pound of boats. The car feel real good. I say real good, I mean real good. We go back at track, more clutch problems again, I think that was. Alright, we end up damage the drivetrain again. Okay, so every time I try get into the racing, something happened with that. Right. Next time though, we can fix the clutch thing now, everything's supposed to be alright. Sean Ivy, never available to tune the car. I asked Blaine for tune the car now, but we want to put on Nitrous on the car now, you see me? We are going all out, we want the car come out wicked. When Blaine tune the car, it have a spot. We just keep breaking up. All Blaine supposed to do, you know, it's an AM series 1 where I run them time, they still know. With all Blaine was supposed to just basically use back Sean Ivy program, take out some time in, because, you know, and spray the nitrous. I think it was 100 shot of nitrous. So, I don't know, big thing. We are run upgraded piston, rods, every little thing we can think about apart from a crank. Up to the the boat them, all the boat them like a full ARP, everything I buy for the car comes to me on the car run good. I run 288 cams, the whole work, ported head, every single thing. I get quaff, diff, everything for the car. Blame to the car have a little spot, man. The car just not right, just doing right. Yeah. Remember we go track now after that. Cool?
Yeah.
We go with it, but after we use some 15-inch rim with some bike slicks, I think it was. But the rim them I will put on a specific order, I never they label them. So the first pass I make, the wheel I rub. So I say, alright, cool, I know how. So we spin it around.
Yeah.
Go back over there. That time, Xavier him there, you know what? Sharp boss is there. Call Bolt and say, yo, I wicked ever down there. I feel out of your camp, Bolt. Say, yes, man, right. But I go back out there and say, yo, boy, I feel the car. I say, alright, come in. So by the time we move the car, like the car starts slow down, you know, get run. Here. And I say, yo, Christ, what that? That means I say, I connected right that man. I will course. I'll go back around and come back around. And my boy, the guy them where clean up the track run car one piece or something to come give me. Or ever rad there. I say, yo, you rad this, you know? He say, I rad, you know? I fight over here, so I look at me, I look bust the band, I look down straight down in the belly of the engine, I look now, you know, man. I say, yo, what kind of crisis this, man? So, I say, alright. The bridge in the camera down for them record. I say, yo, that time I have Frost speed up. Frost are real loyal for you know. We sit down in the car, strap it enough on the record, you know, and see you say, you know, who else time I go country, you know, for the bumpy road, you know. You see, we sleep, we wake, everything, you know, man. I say, yo, real ride or die friend, that's it, man. You get me?
See it.
And we go, I will come back. Pure feeling. Father laugh after me. And say, yo, brother, let me tell you about them little engineer. Big engineer want. So what you want, you want a big engine. Now let's run him on and say, yo, you ever drive turbo car? Shut up him out. Now run him with wicked. Yeah. Some easily me old man, run him with. But then I say, yo, you know what? This thing it costs me too much money, I can't afford the lifestyle. So I take a break from it. Say for the car stock, and Frost come to me and say, yo, send me the car now. He say, give me a bridging price. I say, alright, cool. Him take the car and them gone with it. You see me? Frost just go with the car, Frost them they have some problems.
Yeah.
Them tell them start do some research and I look back into everything. We start going through the program or something where Blaine they do. And I say, yo, Blaine is a wicked boy and I pay him for buying my car. You know? Car about lean spot the whole time in the catch run. And when I rev the car past the $5,000 or so, yeah? It have a lean spot and the cars for leg of the rod, you know. I'm start to figure out everything and I look for everything and I say, yo, them people don't so know what they are doing at this stage. You see me? The people don't know what they are doing. Because you're supposed to just, when we start checking out, I go tell YouTube start, yeah, the YouTube start, then I say, yo, check the log them, and I look back at everything, and I say, yo, this not right, that not right, this is supposed to stay so, that is supposed to stay so. You know, I say, yo, everything where it's supposed to stay down there, I say, yo, if them are not a veteran in the business, we don't have no hope. You know, Jamaica don't have no hope. This don't make no sense. So, I start doing research now, I look on things, I go through, and I say, yo, I say all the time when them do this don't make no sense, that they wrong. That's why I have all them problems, you know.
Right.
Alright. I get suspended from work over some little foolishness, yeah?
Yeah.
And we run on my bridging garage and me and them attack. And I see the little EK throw down there, well dirty. So I say, yo, when I do that EK, I say, yo, them I go put it up and dash it way. Because, exactly. The guy come from Mobile and the car is a giant up car from Japan. So I say, yeah. I say, link him, no call him. I didn't call him. I say, brother, give me that car, I'm racing the road, just put it up for dash it way, so. He said to me, say, yo, give him 100,000. I said, no, I can't get 40,000 on the NCB machine. And him did and he said, alright, fine. I'm going to take up the car carrying a damage. My originally took off the distributor off it. Get back to the distributor, put it up on it and drive it to a couple of days. Drive it, go home and not get drawn in the AC, you know. You understand? Drive the car home. Turn the DC plate, then I'm going to drive it home. And the father said, we are going to rock this, sir. I said, no worry yourself. I have a time, I'm going to fix it up and do my do. So now, we get the car, I start look what swap. I go swap in it, and I look on the K-series swap and something.
Yeah.
I look at the price, what it will cost me, and I say, the man say, yo, you're going to need like a special ability oil pump, and I look at all the negative things them.
Right.
So I say, okay, I start up the money, I say, yo, I say, I not work now, you know, I say, yo, the money I'm not going to do me, you know, for build a car, promote, you know, you get me?
Right.
So I come across and I say, yo, unusual swap is the J series, and it's a cheap engine. I read the article, and I say, J, I know what name, so I start doing research now, and I realize that Hasport make the own kit feeds, we find a community now, and like a forum, and I start read and read, I have all the time in the world, I just do my read and read and read. And I say, yo, you know, I can do this myself. I mean, by now, you know, the money I see man cost me and tell me, say, I'm an internet mechanic. You understand? Everything I'm come with, they run away. I say, your brother, you ever build a car around 10s, yeah? So they run away, you know, left, right, and center, you know. Till yo, this will get into that. Because things I'm that preach to them, and then someday, them come for run, for help them run a fast time. Parts of me, I tell them, say, yo, this go with that. You should have do this and do that. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Right. All right, so I tell my internet mechanic self, I'm a YouTubing now. And I say, all right, I'm going to do this, you know. I'm going to scrap down the car, I go up on co-part, and I buy an Acura sale for the, because I want to get the gearbox. So I realized the expensive part of the bill was the gearbox.
Okay.
So I say, okay, I buy a complete crash car. So I buy the car for like $1,200. With some fees and something, everything comes like $1,500. And I know the owner of the catcher trading. Anything to do with the race car, him sponsor me straight. So we have to big him up. We soon get to that part then. So we get we call it front cut. That's before the firewall, everything.
Yeah.
Come same way. And we get the car and me done prep it. That time I say, yo, I rub the whole car until my finger then start bleed. And I spray the car and every little parts and something I go and collect and do me I do. Put the engine in the car and I go through. I did it every day, I did it at work, My old man would give me a help. And my brother did it, give me a help. I did it at work and work. And then finally one day I say, yo, ready to start, you know, old man laugh after me. I say, oh, what you know about this? I said, right now, pass on pan of gas. And then I say, you serious? I say, yeah, man, pass on pan of gas. And with the open pan, I push the pump in it. Get on.
Yeah.
And I mark it up. And I say, go wind over the motor. You see me? And they go, dum, and it start. I say, see, I tell you, I'm ready. And when I say, it start look on me different now. Like, I say, yo, huh? I say, yeah, man, don't worry yourself. Tomorrow I'll drive out. Yeah? I'm going to come to move door, I will finish up the car and we don't like a fuel cell or something. My arm put me in and car ready now. Car start revving up. Bam. I say, yeah, motor sound good. Come on, go on the road now. You see me and my brother go on the road first.
Yeah.
I'm going to test it. I'm going to go around the Astra yard. Pass him out. Squeeze the car, come up back. And comes a 1, 2, 3. I thought wheel spinning till I drag me all over the road. And I said, Bomba, this feel fast. Look down on the clock and I say, 86. You know, like in the right part, 86. And I say, Bomba, that's what this slow, what is? I can't go raise this. You get me? I start fretting now, and I say, 86 kilo? I'm going to pick 86 kilo and drive third. This don't make no sense. That's not good. I say, I start fretting. So I drive around now and I go around and I say, right, you know, I look back. And the American clock the Avine for the car. Because I take everything out of the other car and just drop it in the shed. 86 miles per hour, I will pick up now. You understand me? I said to you, so I said, Bomba, the middle squeeze right there. So 1, 2, a little piece of tree and catch up 86 miles per hour right in a little gap there. I say, oh, that carry fast. You get me? All right. So Becomes a boom now, finish now, becomes a, and I get the guy what name, one prank parts, send me a manifold. I'm gonna have to pay for shipping. Yeah, because I made start back and forth. Get the manifold, take out back the stocks on them, and we put on the nitrous system now, direct port nitrous. So I say, race will come up, we're going ready. Ready up the car now, you know, and I have to do now, you know, just go align the car, go to Whole Harbour Road. But the car drop crowd, you know, Kedran. You see me? Yeah. Oh, right, I need to backtrack. See him day after me do they go test the car, me and my brother. But say come in old man every time you know I feel the car. Come. Yeah. So me and him go around the road now, but the car have so much torque as me. The car what gear put down on my foot, so it does start wheel spin. It's a behave unruly. So if you see someone virgin them from around the road, you see me, and the man has to tell me, say, yo, squeeze it now, on here, squeeze it one more time. Somebody say, no man, the road can have bad run or so. Man I say, no man, squeeze it one more time, man, give them something. So I could have squeezed the Kedron, one little dip in the road. I'm here, pow, pure smoke. Broke the oil pan broke it up. I started leak out the oil, you know. I smoke up the whole day out, you know. We barely make it to a man, pushed up in the yard. Realize say, yo, majority of the oil leak out, but me, engine alright. So, we get them in the there you go. We get the oil pan and put on back on it. And ready up the car now. As I say, we go to get the car aligned to go and race now. Because I say, yo, bam, race time now, we go squeeze 110 shot of nitrous on the car. You understand what I say? We're good to go. I put on a methanol injection, something on it, and I say, all right, it's to ensure say we not detonate and everything I do me come max out. You see me? Stop computer, we're going to do this one now. We are coming for winning, we do 11s. Go out of Whole Harbour Road, align the car, and the man then back up the traffic for me now. I'm say, yo, I'll give you something proper, you know. I move the car with light up, you know. Light up, and then all of a sudden, the car start rev. I'm now move. I'm say, yo, what is? The clutch start slip. I say, yo, I mean, clutch start. I say, yo, the clutch now work. But every time I pull it now, the car's the one, no movement, man. I say, Jesus Christ. And what is, man? Tomorrow I'm going to go over and the clutch mash up. I say, all right, one more disappointment. And I saw it just come one after the next, one after the next. All right, I decided to say, you know what? In order for something there, who that say for 13 inches? What are that? 17-inch wheels with the dip on, man. Wanna go on nowhere? You see me?
What stick up there on
here? Now I'll go full race now.
What full race? I just want to say a big shout out to tonight's sponsors of our live Instagram live series. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidodge Performance, Massive Auto Parts, Kaizen Wrecking, and Kaizen Car Rentals. Yes, bro, back to you.
Yeah. All right, so we decided to now go full race. Dwight and Hardley say, they might come help me now, because this little bit above me now for do a full race setup. Yeah? We go ahead and we do up the motor, make the changes, them, everything. We get a AIM Infinity. We wire it up myself. You understand? Them time I talk about my AIM Infinity, I probably serial number probably 100 or something, or 200 or something. So the serial number low, you must know long, I have AIM Infinity. Yeah. I don't have nobody to tune the car. I say, oh, I want Lance to tune the car for me. Because I do my research, I want to run for M5, everything. Full spec fuel system, everything for handle the M5. We do my research. I not come out blinded. I decided to reach out to Lance, get Lance number, message Lance, no answer, call Lance, no answer. I read the message, my little phone red like a proper brown And Mr. Shithouse look somebody, you understand? No knowing this brother now answer me no time. So I say, yo, when I do the race, I come up and will start my race career. I say, I think that the farmer me say Kenneth, which I can't see, him have one. You understand?
Yeah.
We go to Bull, Mr. Bull, reach out to Lance now. I try to check everybody to check the Lance to tune the car for me. Now I get nowhere there, so. Bull say, when I ask Kenneth to tune the car? So I say, I don't know him like that. And I say, one of them brown, good, one of them brown rich boy there. Probably I go make me feel that way, isn't it? Yeah, man, you understand, because you see him, you say, boy, the brother are rich and come with all in this and that and the whole team, he go about tent. And me say nobody. You understand me? I say, yo, this brother have him money, could have want speak for me and run me way too. You see me? Right. You see me? Come start judge the book by the cover, you know. I say, hello, little rich boy this. You see me?
Yeah, yeah.
And I say, yo, no man, the man say, yo, big man, just talk to him, and they big me, and him say, alright, fine. Call Kenneth, there you go, I never get him same time. I know he's always a busy man.
Yeah.
Call him till one day, call me back. And say, yeah, he's a call from me a couple times when they're busy. I say, yo, you know, that's funny tongue that I have that set up here, I want it tune. And I say, yeah. I say, yo, I never tune the V6 before, but tuning not tuning.
Yeah.
You know? And I him start talk, and like one of the time if you come check me, him not come. I say, yo, you see there, you know. As a matter of my mind, you see there. Every time you come, you can't reach. Yeah, man, my father laugh after me now and I say, yo, you see it? That's why I'm telling you, done this racing thing, you know. Done the racing thing, you still insist. And we did it till one night, finally he come and him carry a bridge with him. I think on my board where they pass off. And the two of them come and I see him whisper to the brother, you know, and I say, yeah. And he come and he look and he ask me some question and he say, yo, how much amount you make normally? I tell him, and him there talk, and he say, yo, what kind of gas you want to use? And I tell him, and he say, you know, say you have to go this. And I say, yeah, man, that I have. Me and I go through the step, and I say, yo, who wire it for you? I say, me wire it. Come here again, and I say, you wire it? And I say, yeah, man, I'm me wire it, man. And I say, yo, all right, cool. So him did it, and him started to do like a check to me. And something that him said to me, say, you have a little problem with your white band. Check it back. Cool? Yeah. Alright, we get that started out, we arrange the day we got diner and we got cars. That time, Arley and Dwight did there, I say, yo, first pass of car gonna make a bit over 330, you know, watch. Man, I say, no, that him next to impossible. Yeah, idiot, all out gonna make so much. Remember say yeah, Nitrous spec and this and that. But say yo brother, don't worry about that. You see me? Don't worry about that. We're gonna make over 330. First pass, can make what? 338 I think it was. The man say, oh, you didn't know that? Man say yo, my calculation is it. The man laugh at me. Everything they laugh after me, they not believe me. Can come out and say, can I dial up in glasses on the screen? Like I say. Like I say, yo, but when I reach now yet and they make 338, you understand?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, yo, brother, you don't wanna hear more fire or something? The man say, no man, I like hear rap. I say, brother, you come someone, I realize it's a cool brother now, you see me? I want away. I don't know hype boy thing in the band.
Right.
And his girlfriend he did it and I say, yo, man is avoid that bun up in the car, so man. And you see me? Anyway, we did go on the diner, we do car come off 363 or 365 there about the car done at first car, the car tune.
Yeah.
And him said to me, say, yo, are you have a limiter in the car, in the ECU? I said, no. Him say, in our pass several grand basically, you know, to be exact 6,800. So we did it we try everything. It now passing. Say yo, I'm not about to go on a race, you know. Him said to me, say yo, in top minute I say yo, go on a race, man. Go on a race. I say yo, brother, yo, carry not done and me know I go down to go embarrass myself. Me know I feel like say, I have a little piece of shit bag carry. Every time you go, I eat that. No, the carry not good, you understand? We want when the car come out properly. So him convinced me, I say, alright, fine. That time I have a bus. I tell you so like for you know, I drive a step wagon I have as my additional vehicle. I may tire on the car upon it and I beg do I drive the bus and drag down the car in a kedran power.
Yeah.
Me not to about 5 feet of seat belt. So me there I support so with it from the back of the bus. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah man. And this brother speed with me on the toll road or something. I say yo, I call him and I say yo, I call my brother. I say yo, tell the man to slow down, the man run out dead in the man. When I say yo, then I laugh after me and when I speed I'll go 140. On the toll road the man I do with me, I go down and burn him, you know. I draw the brake, the brother now slow down. I say, alright sir. We go a race now and I wait for Ken to come. Ken say, you park up with me normally there because lizard now a race. Yeah. Parking a lizard. Same time now, somebody come and say, oh, you're hype. You're Ken, the park Ken team now. You're a rich boy. You know, some little ear argument start float around. So, I'm not fear that no man.
Yeah.
Because I'm not used to getting good support from nobody. And I'm still address that too. And we did it. And Kenneth say, yo, come in. Go on over with the car. We turn a little things that we might have on some shitty slicks or something because the budget not still like that. The car back up. This and that no. Right, none of the thing them not right on the car. As if we forgot, after we all test the car the day before, you know. We go out in the car and have no clutch, you know. When I say no clutch, you know, brother. Now go in and gear this and I say, oh, this father sign this and I know I should have come the way, you know. 2 tools, do I there in my head now where I go through a check, but some of them, I would have said, can I just come back and say, oh, you're not ready? I say, yo, he'll say, Karen, I'm going to gear. By the time I could have said that, this brother is a real brother, you know, the man in a good clothes, you know. Slide underneath the car without no cardboard, no nothing, you know. I catch him, I look on the man and I say, bombard.
With a rich brown fella.
He had this friend of friend yet, you know, and him do this, you know, and him slide on the car and like check on, you know, the dirt. And I say, yo, boy, Jano, feel good. Anyway, I just say, somebody want to adjust up the clutch. For some reason, it not ask me why they want to adjust up. We'll go out, you know. I don't have no RPM like that for watch. So I don't know where the car shift, the car now rev forward. I don't know what I got to do.
Yeah.
And we go up on the line and go down track and come up back. And I say, yo, car feels slow. I say, I waste my time, I know I do it myself. And I see some people say, so, yeah, on the return lane. So I say, what if you do that? That don't make no sense. I say, car slow. You see me? What the man that come and sees us smile? Yo, the level one there, the level one, that's it. Level one, that level one. And I say, yeah, level one. I say, no, I look on the I say, yo, but me that limit, I don't know what me they carry the plant. I now revolt, I say, the car now revolt. And all motor, and we run a level one. Car fast. Car fast, though. Humble. Ultimate mistake, no. We go back again. Car develop a clutch problem a little worse. We decide to say, here, no, that I think we end up, because they start creep off of the line for me now, to about the clutch again. Sorry, this don't make no sense. We got the first elimination, the car creep off, and something. We couldn't react on something, because it jump off with me and all that. So, we end up lose the race there. So we know it's back to the drawing board. We want to figure out why to revolt or something.
Yeah.
Alright. Race command done. You're the first thing me I gonna get from a man. No. You know say at the slowest 11-second pass that me was say. Somebody say, what you say? What you mean by at the slowest 11-second pass you was and I level one the car running up first time I could have track, you know. You understand that we have problems. First time. Or you even say that? Yeah man, the slowest. Is it me? I damage, we can't illustrate, I damage to that to me. Can't forget. When I have 60, Yeah, man, I hurt my feelings, man. I say, yo, man, never say that 11 second pass, we do 126 mile an hour, level 1. First time out.
Yeah.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
And with the man say, yo, can I eat that thing that? I'm sorry, alright, cool, I take it and I go on.
Yeah.
We go check little T. We go check little T for a little thing and them I say, boy, yo! Boy, can't run good still, but at the slowest 11 second pass that never see. How old is that? My car actually is shit car. You understand me? I say, how much money come here?
The feelings though.
Yeah, me I say, yo, I could have had this for two veteran man. That time, little T is talking at 11s now, you know, remember that, you know, man? Every time you see 12s, 11s, and you gotta tell me, say, my car run 11-1 and the slowest 11 second pass. So me say, you mean say at the easiest you want to see 11 second run in our front wheel drive? The man say, no, not that. At the slowest 11 second pass, me ever see. I say, okay, sir. I say, alright, I go see what going on. Brother, I figure out my problem, why the car now rev out. And I say, alright, cool. We end up do some changes. And I said to myself, say, yo, car, I'll make some more power, but I change the axle. Because I run the insane sharp axles them time, the 500 horsepower axle. Boom, now I come on, change the axle, 1,000 horsepower axle. I get my trailer them time, I know. Because police, they almost take with the car on a return trip. We go, by the way, we go to crash on the return trip. Because the way that drive me, I deliver that 100 miles per hour on the bad road from Vernon. Lick a pothole. Both times something spin me out almost right off. But I beg the man slow down from before we left out, you know. Almost right off now I light post, so I catch by the car. Yeah? I'm not doing a steer arm grade. That's all me can do.
Right.
Sorry bossy. By the time we do that now, police stop me and say, yo, this car can't drive on the thing and I have no papers in here for license and insurance. Not even didn't know that. Man, the car I send to the record to come take away the car, to impound the car. I have no papers in the car. I look at money I got there now, we invest in it. Mr. Tim say, yo, better you shoot me, you know. Because me not lose some money also on this car with so much time and effort in it, you know. You understand? You have to kill me out there today. Me not make it go away. And he could have call the recommend in now answer. I say, you see? You recommend there with the woman and yard. That's say you for that to man. Home. Let me go on. And the man did. He didn't say, you know what? Go on. I will go home. Alright, boom, we fix the car and
so on here.
Yeah.
You need enough to peel boss a little thing. I you know how we're going at that.
He don't want to take no money, man. Me I tell him say, yo, brother, he not take no trap. I tell him man say me dey on suspension. The man turn to me and say, him just come off a suspension. I say, you're supposed to know what you feel like. We not get no pay, no nothing. So we are talking about, brother. You see me? He ask me every question. Me there him there. And I talk to him, walk him down everywhere and go. I say, if you go piss me there behind him, brother. Nah, let you see you nah go with the car today. So anyway.
Let you go.
He let me go. We find the problem, fix the problem. We make some other upgrade. We know the car make some more power. By the way, we have to respect to Kenneth again because Kenneth now charge me for tune the car. No, like if me feel like to give my money for gas, I give him my money. You understand, Kedron?
Yeah.
I'm fully in support of the project, you know. Invested in the project too. So we did there, I buy the insane shop them, I make sure this time I get my trailer. Something for carrying on the car.
Yeah.
With the car on the trailer, we go back to Vernon. I think this would have been the last Vernon now. First pass, we never warm the six them. Car run 10-9. So I said, yeah, car run 10-9. That time we make like what, 378 I think it was, we make. Fresh off of the trailer, we just roll out and run 10-9. We come up back in and say, yo, we run 10-9, you know? So I say, Jano, so I say, you can't smile. I say, smile for what? 10-9 no much better than 11-1 or 11 now. Me not feel good. You get me? I say, brother, enough people try to do what you do for years and never do it, you know? You see me? I still not say the car are competitive. The man say, light up the slicks them, hold it in the something there and burn it out properly. You see me?
Yeah.
So I say, all right, cool. I go back out and I do it and tell me to do. Lies up one second, go up on the line now, the time everybody see it, so you know, look at my bridging, him see it, so you know, look at me and say, yeah. Put in a large controller, by the time he's put the club, feel the car because I hop up. I'm going to see the gear stick down like a weird movement. I say, what is? What is what? I put on, drive on the one gear and it's select. I'm going to try to move on me. Oh! I say, shit, the axle broke.
Yeah.
So I push him off of the line, me look underneath there. I'm sure it's one of the axles broke. When I go home, realize the two of the axles them broke. You get me?
Yeah.
I say, one more silence, this again now, you know. What is father? Now, I'm going to tell you, whether they are already up with the whole little thing. This whole time though, the only thing, what I don't follow with Kenty is time. This brother never have no time in the world. Me now work, they have all the time in the world, so I feel annoyed too some of the time. Because we come all the way down a lizard. 1 day, 2 days, we sit down there, we wait, we left for come back, we left instead of car and yard, we do all of them something. Proper frustration some of the time, because him have him work and for him thing come first, no?
Right.
So we can't ball for them. But always end up for tune the car just in time for go a race. So never ever get to test the car beforehand.
Right.
The first time we come jam was again, I think, 2 things. One more clutch problem, and would they have something to do with the cooler buckle drop off. So 2 more little things to fix. We come back again now. This is the time now we get a good run out of the car. 2 of them in the car, go out there against me and Toda. I think was the first pass.
All motor.
Yeah, Toda was alright. I give the fan something. Okay, right? Because I park right beside him every time. I give the fan something, Toda. Come in on a Saturday. And I tell you now, I tell you exactly what the story is to the now. Remember the story in the video, I show you everything when I to the car now, you know. Boom, we go on the line with the left lane, him on the right lane. And to the red light. And we come up over the clutch car bag. And we just hold on my foot and come up. Start clear by the RPM and so that means that to the red light and jump me. On top of that, my bag and pull me again. So by the time he comes and draw a turn, but get to that proper flyby. You see me? This is not the first light to that. Give to that a proper flyby. Boom, I pass him, I say, boom, back to the car, slow. That after I feel to the start car slow, man. But I like to the car fast. And I come around and I say, they must say, yo, something about the car never that rev out. So him say, something wrong at the ECU, him said to me. Right? So him red light, I will give him a flyby. Look back at the video, because anytime you see, you can't know Toda when Toda get beaten, it's Toda at the pun. I look cross. Anytime you see Toda, I look cross. Somebody passing Toda. You get me? I say to you, somebody pass Toda. Anytime, watch that video, man. You see me? So, Toda get a flyby and we go back home. Every time I go out, the car bug off the line. Kenneth said to me, say, yo, the RPM too low, we need to raise it. So I said, just raise it. He said, you raise it, man. I said, yo, I not even want to touch the ECU like that.
Yeah.
Just deal with it to me now. So he said, all right, hold on. So we make 2 more attempts. Cars are on 11s. Like low 11s, 11 1, 11 2. So it's around. So I said, all right, cool. We are camp on the track, you know. I lie down, one piece of cardboard at the back of the old Nissan. So bam.
Yeah.
So S13 Mike, and he must run like either 10-4 or something. The man hype in the night, you know, I said, God. I'm here, the man, I say, yo, we over there have the car before, and that's right. And the man, I talk about everything when we get to the car. And the man, I go and hype to me, you know. I don't know him, but to me, come off as in my hype, yeah?
Hype, yeah.
The light of the car, I hear my talk about, oh, to the car slow, the V6, whopping. And I say, yo, brother, God, tomorrow, that I'm Kenneth don't fix the launch control for me now.
Yeah.
I said, God, please, so I'm qualified 10s. Doesn't even qualify 10s tomorrow. never kick out S13 Mike. Teeth, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, sir. We all wait on the track because we realize the who's are them. Me know well, not realize. Me know there's a real drive slick. I mean I have enough for light them up, for get them to the temperature to make them launch good. Right?
Okay.
As I say, we have over financial constraints at the time coming out of work. Boom. We go back about 11 o'clock, so when the track warm up, make two of them make a pass first. I mean, the two of them track feel. He must say, yo, much better than yesterday evening, you know. It start warm up. So we go out and the car run 10-8. 10-8 the car run. Right? But this is like a 179 60 foot, I think it was. And we come back around and I say, Margie come check me. Margie say, yo, what you do different? I say, I just bag it up, bag it on Margie, why we never get to run a better time yesterday, you know? But it's up more large. Something, you see me? We come out and we made the grid and I think the first one would be a buy run. Kennedy said to us, say, our driver's mean, say, oh no, just don't show me if you don't want the buy run. So, me now waste my car, but none of them something. Come out now. I say, who go against first? The man I say, yo, you go against one of the class fastest, which are the Corvette. I say, yo, what the Corvette can do? He must say, 10-3 or something like that. The man say, the Corvette qualified. I say, bomba 10-3. And basically, but can I really can't go much faster than this in my mind. I say, yo, you know what? I normally have a decent reaction time, and that I'm going to use with them. You understand? Because this one time I did race my bridging car film, and I pulled nothing but straight, perfect reaction time. Them time there. Perfect reaction time. Every race, I'm win the class. And I say, reaction time, I use set them out of the whole now. One thing we learn from damage is that reaction time is key. You understand? I will go against the Corvette, you know, and I said, the brother, wait for the green, you know, brother. I said, you cannot wait for the green. You put the back of the Civic, man. You see me? So, in the chase, you might chase me now. So, I guess he mess up. Yeah? By the time you look across me, I say, nobody. I say, yeah. But no, I'm win them because the woman go through a come run. You see me? Them show me the video with all the car with a wheelie upstairs, I come back for me, and I say, bombard. Because you want to go for me, hit me, the whole lad. You see me?
Yeah.
Alright, sir. So we win that class then. We win a race now. So, you know, man, I say, oh, we run down the show. I say, oh, me I go against next. You must say, hold on, man, wait on me, you know. I think the next person would have be Mike. No, so I say, God, we have said, we get a chance enough to go my teeth. I that me that pray for last night, night back I one. I'm lie down, I say, yo, lie down, night back I one, and little toil, you know, man. And I say, God, just give me a chance. No, I kick out this 13 teeth. I want to kick out 10 teeth. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Boom, no. With I will line up. And I say to him, say, yo, sometimes I line up, I'm darling for the light in the man. I don't know him I do it, man. And he sleep, him go sleep too, you know. And becomes the bottom comes and move over my look across and I say, yo, you know there, so with me, you know, catch me back. You see me? But nobody knows, say, they have him gearbox to fully feel him. Right?
Yeah.
See me? So, me have a second gear problem from the whole time. I know this. So, I have baby shift the car. I can't get the mad shift for like coming out by the shift. I have ting as barely I put in a gear the whole time. I nurse the car same time. Anyway, I think we run 10-7 this or now. Alright? Remember, we're going to draw back for that 10-7 here pretty soon too. And I think we go finals now. If we not mistaken. Right. We go finals. So we get the left lane. We go for burnout. Normally I burn on a second gear. Car no want to go in a second. And I say, oh, what is father? Put in a reverse. Come back. Pump up the clutch down. Try the second and it burn out. I say, alright, good. Chris then, dog? Chris. If you send you the video, that's just me I fight with the gear stick in there. But I'm come out, I will lose. The second would not select. And we end up lose and we come second. Cool?
Yeah.
Stick up in now. Now, based on my understanding is this. The Vernon field times differ from the Jam West times. Cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We come second, everything all right. We did it. Some people come and say, boy, the car run good railway. You know, I pick up like a fans and some people start reach out and say, oh, I love the car and the whole works. So it's all right, cool. Fast forward real quick though to when Bally run 10-6. Remember now, you know? Before that, I think me and you, they catch up over the same thing with Toda, you know? Saying Toda have the fastest car.
We never catch up on you.
Alright, you know what I mean? Me the car I'm gonna say, yo, what kind of foolishness this? Why you say that? Because for me, me not give no shit about if you are on stock computer. A front wheel drive is just a front wheel drive. A rear wheel drive is just a rear wheel drive. Man, understand if you go as further as we say, it's a boosted versus a non-boosted car, an all-motor car. You get me? I said to you? Alright, with that. But for you to come and say, oh, Toda have the third fastest time. I say, but Toda are like 10-9. So if you say that don't make no sense. Somebody link upon them and say that, then you say you change your post now, you know, to say third fastest 4-cylinder all motor. So I say, yo, okay. But at the same time I turn to you and say, yo, why what you call it? Why make you go back and change? Why is it make a difference? It's just front wheel drive. It don't make no difference. You understand? So I look at it and I say, yo, everybody else don't play my thing. You see me? Okay. Fast forward back to Bally and Fame time. Only for years say Bally have the record for the track. So I say, oh, Bally have the record for the track. That don't make no sense. The nines did something there. Them say, no. So I say, what was the time before that? Your time. So I say, okay, the arms was this. Me, they have the fastest all the time for something because my Kenneth carry the damage, yeah? And he never get to race his car there. Kenneth never get to race for him something there. Xavier, him no come. So me have the 10-7 and that was the fastest and nobody said that was the record. Nobody said nothing at all. You get me? I say, I'm gonna show you as Jamaicans we're a set of shittos. You understand? We not give credit where credit due. You see me? No. I say, me make a comment and say, yo, boy, to a Bally car scream out in the Jam West group. Yo, that thing that sound like a Nitrous still, you know. I guess Bally feelings hurt now. Man jump down for me, take this and that, the car slow, blah, blah, blah. So I say, huh? No, car don't slow. Because if me remember right, you have one of everything in your car. You see me? Me, I have no whole heap of things in my car. So them start asking me what in my car. But now really, me and someone discuss that. When to me tune and whoever else me work on the car, we don't know why in my car. Alright? All of a sudden you reach to the point, oh, me a lion. Me tell man say, me I run stop this and stop that and me have this and have that. Nobody don't know when I'm my car. You get me as a team. Remember at the point when I come down to somebody to come and ask me, I said to me, say, yo, your pistons are running in your car? I said, oh, else would that start? Matthew, he was there and decided to answer the man. I said, no man, everything's stuck. This never come out of my mouth. The man say you have camp in your car. I said, brother, you can't almost need a camp to start. You understand? Me never ever tell a man say, yo, you know, so I have this or I have that. Only person that could leak this information would have been Kenneth. You get me? All of a sudden, me hear Bally there and oh, the amount of nitrometine everyone in your yard. It has spoiled for you. I say, me never heard nitrometine yet. You understand what I say? If me ever run it, me I own up to it. You get me? Me I own up to my nitrometane. Me not go beat around the bush. Because I tell you, say, one of the time, they go buy fuel, you know. And I post on my group, say, yo, Miracle Corp have M5. When they can go up there. And man, say, so why all of your can them turn with the label, them turn away from the camera? So coincidental, you know. Say me just say the pictures of them, you know, and none of the label them not show, you know. And the man then start to me, the problem are cardings. We can't take any amount of cardings. We used to that. We trouble Drew and we trouble everybody. We don't have no problem, I get back cardings. They're there, dog. All right. The man depend nitromethane. So I say, okay. I said, I'm going to watch your interview now. So we're going to discuss that demand the interview. First thing first.
When I said that demand the do, Onair, who are we talking about?
Bali, sir. Sorry, Bali. Let me be more specific. But okay. Great Bali performance.
So hold on now. So the list that you have, you start the list now?
Yeah, but we do more structure. We'll get to the, so we're going to start talking about the other things then now. Because basically we race carry the pause till now. For come back. All right.
Go through.
So we address Bali now. Bali, first thing I tell you, say yo, I'm gonna come so Bama and watch Bali thing I know. Mr. Kedran says, who will tell us who is Bali? Bali gonna say and say, hey, you know, Bali is a humble guy. So I say, humble guy. Okay, go and watch the Comor. First of all, in the same two breadstone, Bali don't refer to himself as me. Bali refer to himself in the third person.
Yeah.
So when Bali does this, and Bali does that, and Bali does whatever, I start laughing. I say, oh, this brother is a humble man. Well, you cannot be a humble man and refer to yourself in the third person. That don't make no sense. All right? They could take me a little more. And further go on to say, you say, how much for the car make? Him say, 380 on the dyno. But him don't know how much he make at the track. I say, me Jesus. How you say that? You's a all motor car, no? How you going to tell me, say, you make 380 on the dyno, but you know how much you make a track? Brother, and a so all motor work, a boost car, can't tell me that. Because you with 2 units. For 130 pound of boost, you go a track and turn it up to 40. At that point, you don't know how much power you make. You can't tell you, say, yo, my car make 393, because it make 393 for the dyno. You understand? You are going to tell me, say, no, you make 380 for the dyno. But you know, don't know how much, as an all motor man, you don't know how much more you make a track. You can't, what you going to turn up, the vacuum? We're going to turn up with the truck on an all motor. So you're going to turn up the timing? Yeah.
So are you suggesting or implying that Mr. Bali told us some lies on his interview?
I'm not subject, I say it straight.
Okay.
I call him out on this thing, I know, because here what? You cannot go to the truck and turn up an all motor. You can go to the truck and you can mix some nitromethane in your fuel, and at that point you don't know exactly how much the car make.
But Onair, remember that Bali said that he's not running nitromethane, you know.
I'm saying to you, Kedran, stick up and listen to me again. As an all motor man, you come off the dyno, when you leave the dyno, you cannot adjust the power again.
Right.
The only way you don't know how much power you're running on is if you put some nitromethane in the fuel. At that point, you don't know how much more fuel, how much more power you're making. You have a rough idea to say 10% probably normally in a K-series, because K-series is a formula. You get me?
Okay.
Remember, K-series at this point is a formula. You cannot buy this, and this, and you cannot guarantee some things, you know. Remember that, you know, I run all this trouble about, you know, copy and paste, you know. That's what the K-series, you know. The difference is, you know, between me and a K-series, me I build a formula, you can buy a formula for K-series, you know.
Okay.
You understand? So, when time you are going to come on a live, Zine, and you can see a little circle like him, and he laugh and he turn on his head. Because 2 times you ask him how much for the car make, you know. And he even turn to you and say, well, you know, Bali will, we'll have a 2.4 tonight, and by the morning is a 2.7. Yes, we know you're running a crate motor. Bali, we know you're running a right. So if you are on a K27, which is a 99mm stroke motor, we could get into the nitty-gritty on this now. Right? And you say you make 380. First of all, the power they weak. You understand me? Him go as far as I'm saying shoot himself in the leg by telling him say him don't know how much power that car make when he at the track. He can't tell you how much he make on the dyno.
Okay.
You understand? Cool. And shoot himself by telling him say, yo, you see when you are lying, you didn't know how to lie. Bomb now, him come and him say that, right? The word on the street don't have it say a crate motor Bali run when him run a 10-6. Cool?
Okay.
When I have no business with that, hats off to you if you can't afford to buy a crate motor. You have all the bells and whistles. When you see the man carrying in the shift smooth, in the use no clutch, him have one of everything. You ask the man the question to say, so Bali, you the V6 Tour and Kenty as all motor. For whoever win. Him say, I can't tell you, Bali can't tell you who is going to win, you know, but I can't do but tell you that the V6 is going to come last. So I said, oh, maybe we'll see what this is going to go now, because me know me I come back with. You understand? Me know me I come back with, you understand? Me know say, power just turn up from yard to track like that in an all motor. You see me? Me know the downfalls of my setup. You have your fully built 99mm stroke. I run 10-6 in a wheel. That's what me call him car. That's what me used to say in the group. In a wheel. So me call him out in the group and I say, yo, we are going to race since whatever. We want a race. If nobody answer the time, I'm say, I'm respond same time. I say, yo, so to him say, money race or no money race. But you know, say, the Bali days are hype man. So the man say, yo, we not no problem with no money race. So I say, yo, I'm good for $1,000 US, take a picture of the money, Bam! So I come here my $1,000 right, I say, I'm ready, I come back, You see me? My boy post back fee money. So I say, okay, cool. All of a sudden, this, you depend on the whole nitromethane thing. So here we go. So I come back for the next meet. I want the $1,000 race. You hear me tell you? I want to promote the $1,000 US race.
All right.
We're gonna do that.
No,
we don't want it on a Saturday. I will want the first thing when the fans them come Sunday. We want the $1,000 race. If I want to agree with the group,
Watch this. We probably cannot promote it because the whole betting game in a Nitrous thing. But if you guys want, I mean, that would be a good matchup still. Off the record thing, I don't know if Bali will take up that challenge or take up your offer. Okay, so the fans can expect.
The only thing we can tell you, from ever since I said to him, say, yo, when he started about this whole nitromethane thing, I say, yo, I start looking into it, I say, yo, me not going to reinvent the wheel. Xavier run nitromethane, I set the record. You understand me? I say? Everybody has tested nitromethane at some point. Who is me not to go run nitromethane at this point? You see me?
On here, remember when I asked Bali about the all motor showdown, that is just his view on it, So I'm going to ask you now, right? With those same 4 cars, right? Kenty, yourself, Bali, what am I missing?
No. The only thing I'm sure about is me can beat Bali. I don't know where we're going to place, but I tell you, say, yo, that's why I'm willing to put $1,000 on my bill. I now buy no body engine, come put it in my car, and me one nurse it. I'm a Billy from I'm have confidence in my work. You get me? I said to you now, I have confidence in my work, Ketran. So to the point, I say I'm willing to risk $1,000 US for a race with Bali to prove a point.
So Onair, you're saying that any time that Bally run the next meet, you'll run a faster time. That's what you said.
No, I not say that, you know. I say I want to line up with him, whether if I qualify or not, and we do what we are doing from this up. We take it this up. Give somebody the money for who if you not feel good. When I come down with my cash, I want him come with theme cash.
Okay.
And we have to line up and we have to do what we need to do. Because I don't want the case where if him don't qualify nines and me there nines, him nobody want to race.
Okay.
You understand? We want that to get out of the way from early out. So when I qualify him want to do it at the first part of Sunday morning, we want to get it out of the way.
Alright, watch this now, Onair. Watch this now. I'm going to give you these 4 cars and I want you to tell me how you see this race going, right? Because Bally tell us how him see it, you know.
No, catch up, I'm not going to do that. Catch up, I'm not going to be doing, I'm not going to be around the bush, I'm not going to do that. All I'm going to say is, I know I can't beat him. That's all I can answer to that part, right? That's all. No. The only thing I'm going to tell you, say, yo, is I already said it's no fuel restriction. So if you want to read between the lines, right, that's all, no fuel restrictions.
All right.
If you want to come with a boost car, or if you want to come with a nitrous car, if you want to come with a hall motor car, as long as that front wheel drive, if you're a front wheel drive, all right.
All right.
That's what I'm saying to you. My bill, I don't know, and I can say to you, I'm not really coming to really race nobody, I try to go after the record at this point.
Where the record is at now, Onair?
I am going to tell you that the record is at 9.3 and 9.6.
Okay.
So, right. I'm not coming. I want to fact, I'm going to try aim to take the front wheel drive across the boards. That's what my aim is.
All right.
You understand? We would not be doing what I do now. I'm put that the group in and I say, yo, I get my government money in, I spend for my car, I build a full blown, clean setup now, you know. You understand? Them and they laugh after me, oh, car never look good, car this, I say, yeah, the car look like garbage, yes, but this is the first time we never have no money to spend like that. You understand? You see me? No, I tell you, say, yo, I get sponsorship from Smart Post, I get sponsorship from Ketro trading, as in anything that I buy,
yeah,
them bring it in for free for me. You understand? And then so I'm not paying no duty, I'm not paying no shipping, they handle all of that. Because one of the things where the Jamaican people fail to realize is that we have to pay 2 times what American have to pay. They have a better truck that way, they have everything to them disposal, and we still have to pay 2 to 3 times more than when they pay. And even all the fans that got more time you did it, and they're going to start compare to people are foreign. I don't think that is fair as a set of fans. Cheer we on and big you up for what we have here. You understand what I'm saying? And the man, the type of truck we have, I think we are doing a really good job, because I see people come from foreign and them not run the time when them come here. They get them teeth kick out, proper kick out. So the fans them too, I don't even remember that part there. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to touch for the fans them, I'm going to touch for the fans them.
All right, stick a pin on you.
In terms of the question,
stick a pin, stick a pin. Yeah. I just want to say a big shout out to tonight's sponsors: Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosted, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zedge Performance, Massive Auto Parts, Kaizen Wrecking, and Kaizen Car Rental. All right, Onair. Oh, we have less than half our leave, right? You think the rest of the list, you think we can lick off the rest of the list before that?
Good and fast. If we get a time, you know, we may do it. I go talk about Xavier real quick with the female all the time.
Yeah.
Me call Xavier one day because my car ready, and Kenneth decided to say he might go for it and go watch a World Cup. And my car never get fit tune. Well, one go a race. Car ready and put on. You see me? And I say, boy, one race, thirsty for race. Reach out to Xavier. I'm saying, Xavier, you know, say, I have that set up here and want to tune the car for me. You know, maybe in the future, I'm probably going to try some natural material like you. Xavier laugh and come here and say, yo, me use natural material? And I say, yo, yeah, you use natural material? And I say, no. I use ethanol. You use what? Ethanol? Come on, Kedron. We not eat that to this thing. Do the maths. Look on the Maryland spec. A Maryland, the M5 carry them run well. The 96 at them this time all motor. Upon a shitty track out here, 096. And you gonna tell me say you not use no nitromethane? And you can pass comment like, what about that puff that Kenty have but them say I have? He wasn't using nitromethane too, under the quiet. And then turn around, and then they're going to tell me, say, you don't use nitromethane. But I'm going to tell you straight. So I'm going to go for the record, and nitromethane I'm going to use. Because everybody else I use it. I'm not going to play no fool. We don't have the track feet. You understand me? I build too much. You understand me? I'm going to use nitromethane to take that record. So
Onair,
so I'm going to do the all motor, then I'm going to go back, I'm going to try, I'm going to use the nitrous after that.
So Onair, so yes, technically then you're saying that Xavier lied to you? Of
course Xavier lied to me. I'm not stupid.
Okay.
You don't have to be a idiot in the right as well if you figure that out, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? Look on all of them. It's what it is. You use it, just own up to it now. Why you going to go around the bush and say, yo, you don't use it? You use it. And whenever I use it, I'm going to say I use it.
Okay.
Right. I have my fuel coming. I bring in my fuel myself. I not rely on nobody to do nothing for me again. You get me?
Same.
The car will be tuned by somebody from abroad, from English racing. You understand?
Okay.
He has the 1,000-something horsepower. It's kind of a greenish bluish Civic. Him I got tune the car. You understand? I work out everything. I have all of my things them done. Only thing left for me to do at this point is I say I gotta fix up the wiring because them all this customers say my wire look like rat's nest. But at the first time with that wire I car, it never did need. So I just start left to do on my car basically now. I'll tighten up some bolts. Okay.
Well, let me ask you this on here real quick. Is it that because of the power you're now going to, Kenty cannot handle that sort of, to give you that sort of result? Why?
No, I'm not saying that. Kenneth don't have the time. I'm going to call him. I'm going to say, yo, Kenneth, I don't want to feel no way, you know, because they are from day one, you know. I help me along the way. I ask him. He's not to come in, make him post if me I tell a lie right now. I'm going to say to him, say, yo, you don't have the time to take me where I want to go. And one of the first questions I ask Kenneth, I'm going to say, yo, if you see my car going to beat your time or beat your car, you're going to hold back my car? And him said to me, say, no, I love the competition. You see me? So, yeah, I got something there. I work with him, but I don't have the time. I can't go a track test. I never ever have my traction control working, no nothing. Even though the car wire up for it. When I get to do that part at no point. When I get to test the car at no point. The car just come out, drive, and manage to run that time. No, remember, no, this is a nitrous bill, you know. And I run this car all motor, you know, and run tens, pan OEM ratio, OEM gears, right? How much other one of them could have they run 10s, all motor, M5, and run 10s? Ask them. Bali have everything in that car, you know, see him shift it, no clutch, no, and he run 10.6. You understand me? My 60-foot is always 1.7 something, and he run 10.7. So, me I said to them, say, yo, how that work? Why don't the car respect that? No, the V6 are shit. The V6 is a piece of shit. You see me? Drone him just did it to the next one, me that way, I mean, card him, till one day, me see him post some foolishness in the group. Me have to come out, because I say, yo, that don't make no sense. Because I have to explain to them, say, yo.
So hold on, so drone is on the list too?
No, drone don't have a car. Why drone would have been on the list? Drone post on the group says this moving from 11.2 to 10-7 is the same as moving from 13, well, it's a 14-2 to 13 something. So when I see that, I'm a screenshot it, I'm sending it to Frost, I'm saying, look at them foolish there, I'm talking to the group. I'm better than this, you know. Right now, I'm better than this, to go listen to them foolish there. So I come out of the group. From them long time in January, this happened. Why June car never run 10s when it's stuck at 11s? Why never they do it? If it's so easy to move from 11 to 10, why never move, go 10 seconds from them time there? That don't make no sense. Why you have to make a statement like that? Stick to your mark X parts them, man, and little body parts them. Don't talk about race car. I keep telling them that and couldn't hear. You see me? Stop talking about race car. You don't have a race car. You had a race car. You don't have one now, and the argument done.
Oh, but remember him race the M4, you know.
Brother, you daily carry that, man. What that conflict nothing, man.
No, but a lot of people race them daily.
And that's one of the things that we always talk about, huh?
Remember that Glenn, you know, even just as an example, Glenn from Ocheros with the GTR. Is him daily car and him run 9s with it when him come track?
Alright, stick up in quick and fast. You see how much money spent into that Skyline? You see the tuner down there tuning it? You see all these things? I'm glad for Glenn, because Glenn I come from wherever I broke down left, right, and center upon him. And the best I Glenn now. I'm glad for him. You understand what I say to you? But you dig no man, stop. You ever see Glenn at all no foolishness and no group nowhere? No. Glenn stick to where he know. And him not chat off him up on unnecessary foolishness. You have a race car, the race car couldn't go 10s. Don't tell me say it easy, because you don't know what a 10-second pass feel like. You don't know. So with all of that said, I don't say, yo, Laura Grouper, this don't make no sense to me. You understand? Plus some whole other little people in there. I guess them the one make a name for themselves. Who will lose argument? So I come out. Okay. Not a problem. You understand?
Alright.
One more thing I want to address before the time done is, and it's Lizard interview.
So lad, Lizard too?
Yes, Lizard post some misinformation in that thing. And Roland, how much as Roland lie, you know? Roland is the next lie boy when he's ready, you know, and he's shitty, you know. But you know, Roland had a point to say he ran a faster time than Lizard. And Lizard said, no! No, because my Pulsar, done by Jamwest, run 10-0. So we said, Bombard, what is? No, that doesn't sound right, because me now want to go race like everybody else. Oh, that go. Me don't know about that. So he must say, ask Puffy in an interview and say, ask Puffy. Me not ask Puffy, but me get somebody check for the time for me. You see me? And Puffy, well, the thing here that Puffy said, no, if you don't know about Lizard running no 10-0 with no Pulsar, more like 11s.
11s?
You get me? Right. So Roland was right when Roland said Lizard need to drive in car and run a faster time than him. You understand what I'm saying to you? Roland did right if he said that. You get me? So, I don't understand why Lizard would have said that part there. I say, because he specifically said, no, the car run 10-0, so Roland don't have a faster time than me. So I say, why Lizard would have said that? That's not right. Roland was right, because we go back and check it. You see me? We go back and check it. Okay. Car run 11s. That Pulsar run 11s. They never run no 10-0. So technically Roland is right. Lizard don't beat him time yet. But you come on the live and you say one thing when you go so.
Okay. So you're saying that technically Roland
Lizard did not say that. You can go back and watch it. Lizard said 10-0. And him say, because that's why my boy don't reach him time yet. Next thing, when me say, me would have never do as a man. And it's no disrespect, none at all. And Lizard, me see my healing, my everything same way, I don't want to vex over this, but that's my personal opinion. Me, I have my woman in my yard. And feed her, clothe her, send her go to school and build her up. And make her next man operate her. You understand what I say to you? So, in essence, I say to you, say, yo, me not build my car. To get our next man, to ship it for me. That's me personally. You understand? Anything with that car do, and me, I'm going to make it do it. You understand? That's why I say to Roland forever, I say, yo, drive your car yourself. Because damn it, drive your car, and the car run a fast style road, low 9s, the skyline run.
I think Roland is here
to get here. You understand? So, at the end of the day, right now, as much as Roland up on the shit list for him, Roland is faster than him right now. You get me? I'm doing like them something here, and people that go around and say things and say that.
Remember that lizard car, the car that Lizard owned, ran 9.9, you know. That don't count?
No, it can't count because if I saw Roland enough to say, what damage drive my car on 9.1? Don't, not so I go. You know what I say?
Okay.
Technically, Roland still faster than him because it's not him do the time tonight.
Okay.
Lizard don't drive it. Lizard the clutch, you know, whole light and drop no more wrong them, man.
Okay.
You see me?
So Lizard stay in the comments.
Yes, Lizard, you beat all ever too. Me see it in the comment a while ago. But anyway, take it. Roland is still faster than you. You see me?
All right.
That part there. Yeah. Yes.
The hour is almost up, and I need to ask you this before we
sure?
go. Yeah, man. And persons need to ask you some questions as well. But here's my question though. Who are you calling out for the next meet? We need to know that before we even go any further. Who you call out?
I just Bally alone. I just Bally and I want my money raise. I'm not doing it for free.
Just Bally alone?
Just Bally, I'm not doing it for free. But can I put on a show like that for the fans? I'm going to get rewarded for it. I have too much money invested in that carrier right now. So
Onair, you don't feel like say that is unfair because Bally have 2 less cylinders, you know.
Whoa. So you're gonna tell me say no, Ketran, you did that with your woman and me come here so and there with your woman and she rather my dugu because my thing bigger than your thing. What difference make? Dugu. Eh? Think about that. All right.
Well,
Me never tell Bally say go and use a 4-cylinder. A front wheel drive though.
Okay.
All motor though. One time the 4-cylinder man them kill the V8 man them a fire them a laugh after them.
Okay.
So him say whatever Bally performance, all me say is get your money, come, make we do the grudge match from early. Me don't want to give when the car tired. I want to give when it's fresh. You see me? I don't want to ask them go do that. Pan away along the line. I don't want to excuse me, I want to carry them fresh. Come on to run. That's the only thing I have said.
So
everything else from that, and that's the time I go for. I'm not going to be here on the bush.
Okay.
I know something they carry fast. Toda, I'm a respect Toda for that. You see me? I Toda talk from long time. Toda show me things them. You see me? I show him where I run. It stayed there so because Toda cool you.
So is an all motor war? Is an all motor war going on right here then?
I guess, yeah. You see me?
Okay.
I guess.
All right. Did we cover everything on the list?
Maybe I'm couple more things. Maybe I go touch part, but
no man, go through, man. Go through. The people let me know in the comments are asking.
We don't want to talk about when Omar said, I can't honor them condom. Yeah, that. We have to address that, right? Quick and fast. He have a point, you know, because if you look on it, you know, Kenneth come like a one-hit wonder with the all motor somewhat. You have a little face them come out, car disappear.
Hold on. Hold on. Stick up in. So you tell me say not even Kentino safe tonight?
Nobody can save me. Me never talk about all the man who stage me and love pull all the door. Power. Why this way I love pull the door, but yo,
go through,
the whole body of things me never touch one, man.
Alright, go through, boss.
Alright. Omar have all right at this point to call the man one of them condom. Because I come like a one-hit wonder.
Yeah.
You understand? One-hit wonder. But I'm not gonna lie to you. But Omar should not have crowned himself 9-second king. And in the same breath. And you know why I say so? You come Jamwest and basically you won. Don't? I'm still say Jamwest times different from NDR, from Burnham times, don't? Don't crown yourself 9-second king when you don't have nobody. You're supposed to at that time at least try break the record, the track record, the 4-cylinder, the 4-wheel drive. I would have said. I think a damage they have that time there. Omar has never come nowhere near that freaking time, which is I think is 9-0. So don't call yourself king. You start a king. Are you one?
Onair, but remember,
yes,
you know, remember that Omar is undefeated, no, unbeaten. He has never been beaten at Jamwest since the start of the Kenty series, you know. Doesn't that count for
because, listen, all of who they have him has beaten stick. Stop race. He must have nobody basically at Burnham somewhat because
hold on, you're cutting out. Hold on,
everybody licking down line.
Onair, you cut out a while ago. Could you repeat that?
No. But I said to you, yo, he is just a one man in our class himself. 9-9 and him carry my trophy. 9-9-9-9 him carry my trophy. We can't count for squad did for racing. You was squad no care much years no squad a race. And him go up on the line, him a tremble still so nervous. Nervous. So me no can't count him. Him going to beat squad if next squad have a better car, because Omar's a better driver. Me not go beat you on the bush there so. You understand? The Subaru them our beer 9-9, 9-9-9-9-9, barely a scraping there. That don't make no sense. So you don't have nobody to race. You don't have nobody to race against. Race against the track record then, no brother. You want to think about that? Don't crown yourself 9-second king when you never have nobody to compete against.
Okay.
You understand? That's the only thing with Omar. So you call me condom, but at the same time, you never really do nothing special. It was always a 9-second car from them time until now. But you never know with 9-second back when you did there at Burnham like that. Now, I think, when I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, I could be wrong on this. He won when Chuko,
the last Burnham, he won the 9-second class, the last Burnham.
Right, but at the time that when Chuko comes up and in think the man that give him problem when the nitrous solenoid for purge, the purge solenoid man, and when he put it on, he couldn't go. Now so comes Mr. Condom man win, brother.
Oh, I'm not sure what was the.
But correct me if me wrong. If he remember, serve me right. Yes, he was running 9 some them time there. And of course, we respect Omar because Omar is a good driver. You see me? But him carry the full of problems that everybody else carry. And him that get licked left, right, and center to at Burnham and the likes of Ray. Him get him licked down there.
All right.
You see me? So you might call the condom, but yeah, we know that already, my boy. You see me?
All right.
We know that already.
All right, cool. So, all right, let me ask you this though. Would you go on a limb to call out Omar? Or you're not ready as yet?
No, I'm not going to call out Omar because Omar is a 4-wheel drive. Until I see what the car can do, and I see what new setup I do, I would never call him out. I'm not that stupid. Come on, man.
Okay. But you're just saying that in the past.
No, let me tell you who I have confidence against. If you do what they make them 1,000-pound feet at torque and them 1,000 horsepower, it's Roland. Without a doubt, I'd call her Roland. If me can make 300 horsepower, I'm not afraid to call her Roland. But that's not put him in the right lane. Yes, I'm going to put him in the right lane because he knows what there is in weakness.
Okay.
You see me? Yes, of course, when I race the 13 bike. Of course, me see how I love my boy. You see me?
So we don't anybody want to race.
No, nobody don't save. You see me? The fan them only need to understand themselves and stop with so much wagoness. They need to have the loyalty to man. I need to understand how much work we put in our car to go on a good show. You get me? We need to do that. We need as a set of people stop making the hype man come and take up people tool when we're there. I want to come back, my things missing. Don't thief from your one another. You can't, they are race. And you can't put on your things them and go make your runner come back. And you're something them gone. You understand? You did it and a man free for any team because our next man did thief something for him the last time. And the whole of we did this thing together. What? My money worth 50 cents, my dollar worth 50 cents when your dollar worth $2? Make you can't buy me, save up and buy something. And you come and try to come thief it from me. You understand? You know, say, yo, if you find out something, alright, I'm going to tell you something. I realize, I grip decent at 5 PSI. I'm going to tell you. And I say, Ansman I go up. But Ansman say, yo, what I going? I don't answer Ansman. I'm doing this 5. And I say, yo, where you talking about? I say, 5. And I say, where you talking about? I say, yo, put 5 on your slicks when you go there. And you're going to run your tens. You get a little traction, you run your tens. Try that. Because we find out, say, the tire are grip decent at 5 pounds. And you don't have no good suspension or something. 5. You get me? And them go out and them run them tens and they come up and them say, yo, thanks, you know. And they say, thanks, Lizzie, do a good job and him doing things and them a big up everybody. You understand? One of the few people to say thank you. Enough people me there, and I talk to them and I give them little hints. And I say to them, say, yo, you know, you want to try this or you want to try that and it work for them. And not one of them to say, yo, you, Mr. YouTube, internet mechanic, they give me some advice and it worked for me. You understand? None of them. I'm going to say, yo, say thanks. Say thanks. Even Whelan, I'm going to tell you, when the first time me meet Whelan link me and say, yo. Hold on here. Whelan link me and say, yo, I say to buy some gas, say, yo, I think I never that more. Get to go race and meet them. Them say to me, say, yo, lend me the gas. Them I know them. I don't know Whelan from no weird. I don't know what is a Whelan, you know. You see me? I don't know what is a Whelan. I'm a trust. I say, we call Kenneth. I say, Kenneth, who name Whelan? At first, we call Frost. Because normally Frost know everybody somewhat. In probably know them, we talk about him, know half them. So I call Frost. I say, who name Whelan? I say, yo, I don't know. I don't know who name say no. So I say, alright. We call Kenneth and Kenneth say, I tell Kenneth the thing and say, reach out to me more and borrow the M5. And I say, alright, okay. Can I let him? Kenneth say, yeah man, I don't think you should have no problem with him. So I say, alright, fine, cool. I say, alright, wait, I'm get the gas. He say, meet him somewhere on a gas station. I think I reach a big gas station. Right. Yeah, my girl at the car, and I say, yo, did I wait for Whelan to come? No, Whelan. I call Whelan. I say, Whelan, where the man? I say, may I come? Wait. My girl will start cuss me now and I say, yo, who you feel help a man and we have to wait for him. Now, he's supposed to wait for him. I said, I want to watch that race with the race. We want everybody come out and we want them keep car run good. We have to be the sport. So I say, if you can help somebody, help somebody. One man help one man and this man and move on, everybody are going to be way, way better. Whelan come and him start explaining bill to me. So I say, boost bill, and I use methanol. What's he going to make for?
Hold on here. 1 second. Your connection was a little bit unstable a while ago.
Any better now?
Alright, go on. If it continue, I'll let you know.
Alright, so nobody me never have no nitrogen to sell. No yet. I can't soon sell you some. What you call it? Whelan So they now use the M5 palm boost. I say, yo, everybody, him said to me, say, everybody tell them, say, it can't work. And I say, no, it can work. Just like how them tell me, say, you can't use nitrous with the M5. Me use nitrous with the M5. You understand? As there's a quick tangent, a little backtrack. There was a little discussion in the group one time about M5 and nitrous. It about a bomb. And me the link van and Mr. Van, half the year, we test it already and it work. You understand? Test it and it work. Yeah. Don't tell me say it's impossible. The man my friend I do it. Because the people who have been doing it. Anyway, go back to Wayland now. Mr. Wayland, it can work. Other people do it. So as long as the tuner know him do, it can work. And him say, all right. Me give him guess on something. So one man say, call him. He say, what kind of fuel pump you use? Like him that say, but no, I don't want to say the wrong thing. But me know say, I think him like him that say a bash 440. Just for the argument's sake. Me know say, bash 440 can't work. Me say, what kind of fuel line you run? Because you have to use that type of liner. He said to me, say, no, it's not that. Everything he said, I check spoon though before. So there's always a little gap in between. Me I talk to him. I said to him, say, yo, that not gonna work. I say, you put it in night already? Him say, yeah. I say, yo, 2 hours, you know. That pump that dead, you know. And your fuel line mash up, you know. And it go mash up your semen. As a matter of fact, your semen, they can't take M5. That's what I said to him at the time. You see me? But I still explain to him, I say, the fuel system have to prep perfect for handle. So you have to have the right fuel pressure regulator, you have to have the right line, the right pump, everything, your fittings them, everything needs to go together along with your injectors. And I said this to him. Man said, no, Ray, spoon say can't work. So I said, huh? So I first. Yo, you know, say, the one say, spoon say can't work. So I said, spoon supposed to know better. You understand what I'm saying? Spoon supposed to know better. Boom, now, he must have to me say, you might have some problem, this and that. I say, Kenneth, you hear about this? Kenneth say, yeah. I say, you tell him? Kenneth say, tell him. But it's a man to decide what I'm going to do. You understand?
Fair enough.
So, I pressure the man the whole time. I say, yo, I don't have no problem. I tell you the information, you know, but just give. Big up to you. Give respect where respect you. Say, yo, you know, so Onair, they help me. Onair, they say them something and then they right. You understand? That's what it's really the, you know, people will go and they will take it. Now, me and Wayland is brethren, I know. Me and Spoon is brethren, I know. You see me, I say? Yeah. And we talk with them something. Me not come on the live to call on nobody to say, yo, me vex or nothing. Just make that half of the street. But me say is, at least say, you know, say, the brother they give me a hand and they give me some information very valuable at the time. You understand what I say? Don't be as I said that already. Talk your things straight, you see what I say? As Jamaican, we don't give compliments. We always look for the worst thing to say about a man build. We go that thing and we're glad when a man can mash up. Why you glad to say a man can mash up? That don't make no sense. If you can't come and it shell down, the man must car shell down, yeah. And the man laugh, hello well, car boom, big boom, little boom, beer boom, 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 boom. Why you don't want the man car boom? I never ever did it. I want a man car boom. You see me? If me do the other day and a man car shell down, boom, hand for me, me feel the film because I know say the money was spending night.
Yeah.
You know, you see me? You can't do them something, man, them something alright, man, as people and as even all the hype man, them and some them come. And I say, you can't do that. You reach to all the point and me know how people all take a razor and cut one little slit in the hose when the boost pipe them. Because you're not going to see it. You understand? The car doesn't have to make no power. So, me I say, when I go to them for, if your man build him car, the man make him do him thing, no? When you come out and just race and laugh out it, no? Kick out teeth and you come back and you build something and say you come back, no? Why you going to laugh all the time, van, engine, shell on, see the man laugh? I'm going to say, yo, why? Why you would have want to laugh about it? That party don't right. So I say, yo, somebody need to talk about that party. Nobody now mention it. To say, yo, Ray. You see me? Nobody now say, Ray. Say something good about a man thing. Then the first thing I go to, but this day wrong, but that day wrong. No one now come to you and say, yo, you know, say, Ray, well, I'm not say nobody. Few people come to you to say, yo, I like what you do. I'll give you a little story. Nantry, and the guy from the next machinist from Mac Limited. You see, when we go to them, I'm going to explain the bill what I do to them. I'm going to tell them, so I want them something there done. When we finish it up, I'm going to say to them, say, yo, how this go? How I stay for my bill? The man will turn to me and either say, Nantry said to me, say, yo, Onair, I like what you do, you know. I'm not even going to charge you. You understand? I'm making much respect for that. I'm saying, you sure, Nantry? You sure, the guy from Mac Limited, I remember his name. You sure? And I'm saying, yeah, man, I like what you do, I make sure, you understand? I like how you learn a thing and you come and ask me something very specific, and I know why you ask what you ask for. And you're one of the few people, I'm not happy. I wonder how that go if you understand what you ask for. You get me?
Okay.
And then do them things that I say, I'm not a man who normally get nothing for free too tough. If you get me, I say everything I have to pay for. Sometimes I have to pay for 2 or 3 times. You see me? So when a man do this to me now, I'm happy, I feel good. And I say, yo, a man believing me to the point where it would even charge me. From a come out, this one for the car run good. You understand? And I'm imagine say right now, I come out to take the record. That is my aim. You see me? Okay. When I kick up on the teeth, then move to take the record. I don't want just take the all-motor record. I want the front-wheel drive record. That's what I want. And that's what I go for. Okay. You understand? So, no matter if I'm going to make $1,000 when I film front-wheel drive, I don't have no fear. I go for the record. That's what I'm going for. You see me? All right. You know you don't want an interview on the car. I wouldn't give you an interview until I reach somewhere near my goal or reach my goal. At that point, we will tell you everything in the car. All I want to do, everything. But for now, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense me could tell you all I want in my car. Because all you're going to hear is, see how much thing he have and it don't run good. That's all the man them want to say. How much money you spend, do the maths for you, and say, yo, that not good, this and that, because them don't go up and say, yo, have this or have that. You see me? So, I'm not going to unveil in the car yet.
Not yet. All right.
Cannot do that right now. But it is.
Watch this now.
Huh?
Watch this now, Onair. You said that the starter, that was one more point you never touched. And I want to make sure you touch all your points before we wrap up.
Put on fast with the starter now. The rest of them is tough. Very tough. I don't know if when they go up on the light or go up on the track, they're tough. They're not going to be in the bush. They go there, they don't want to put on their helmet. They put on the helmet, but something did the sun, everything. And the man up here to stop, you know what, stop. You see some of them are trying to stage them back wheel or something. But sometimes the starter not paying attention. You get me, I say? And in the day, and they probably call you off on the line. And then the light go off. But because I call you off, he may go quick for reach open the door. I'm going to say, yo, do not open the man them friggin' door. You see me, I say, do not open the man them door at no point. Because you don't know where you can do right this in a split of a second when you try to open that man door. And him go down the track. And him dialing power way my door. You see that you come back, signal the man again and stop him or something. But do not do that, man. You cannot be opening people's car door like that. The part don't make no sense. You're putting people life at risk when you do them something because you throw them off. And the man is done nervous and shaky on the line. You understand? Who don't want to touch the next fight. It might sound like a real asshole move, but you see the man them, we make the 50 million pass. Normally the regular stock man them, where them come with them 15, 16, 14 second car, right? And there's nothing wrong because we need everybody to support the sport. But here the thing now, you cannot drive your car down an additional class back to back. Even if you was going to achieve it, you're not going to. And I can't explain to them, because we did the race, we did the timing something the last meet on the Saturday. And I said to them, say, yo, brother, you cannot hit the car back to back like that, they're going to lose power. And I'm say, what you say? The people money, you know? I got make as much pass as we can out there, you know? But I daily driver, don't mash it up when you wait. And you did them say, you see your time I get slower, make the car cool down. No. Now go back out again. We said, don't go back. Don't go there. And then you come back the following Sunday now. And you have one tick reel of time slip steer, so tick. Your wallet can't full again to put in your back pocket to the time slip then tick. And you come back the Sunday now, where most of the faster car they're gonna make them qualifying time. And you board the line, and you come round, and you make 10 pass before the fast car man them really get to make 3 pass out of them car. And then something happened to one of the big juice car them, and because of them money I board the line, I can't wait. The next car and I get to qualify the time where they want to qualify. You get me? I said to you, that is just raw foolish. Have a little conscience. Your money where you spend no bigger than the next man's money. You understand? You cannot drive your car as a 15-second car. You cannot reach 13s and shift your car no faster.
Right.
Now what happened? When you need to look into it, man, it can't go. It don't make no sense. You try 0 time. Even if you got 0 up the time, make the car cool down between the run them and don't hit the car back to back like that. Allow other people to come run and make some pass. The next thing too, them come round, boom, then jump out the car. Gone left car. Who the shit is you with your little 15-second car to block up everybody else, all next 200 or 100 racer? With your 2 little hype man friend them, we see you every day run on your lane and squeeze the car and dust them up. Then you're already used to you. Why are you going to block up everybody to do all of that? That part doesn't make no sense. If everybody be come together, everything could have been one. You see me, I say everybody think could have flow smoother. You ever see when Kenneth go out there on a stage to carry them? Like Gandalf, you know, you shall not pass, you know, burn out. Me no Kenneth heart big, you know, because when the man them a burn out, he comes and stop. You understand? And carry them have to come. You know how they manage that normally them go half track. Them carry them can't stop. And when Kenneth stand up there and put out his hands up, the man the master put his foot in off the stage, you know. You get me? I said to you, thing run smooth and I Kenneth now nobody do it, you know. You see me? And thing I run so much smoother. So why the people them can't competent to handle a part there? You see me? Kenneth is an expert. Kenneth heavily flawed, you know. You know why Kenneth heavily flawed? Kenneth is not a man that good on delegation. He feel like saying he do every single thing himself. You see me? And I have to say, yo, listen. See, if I give a man a thing and they don't do, Kenneth, find somebody to replace him. You see me? Find somebody else to replace him. Allow for delegate so you can do what you need to do. You see me? I say to Kenneth, say, yo, IT work we normally do, you know. If you need some help, link me. What Kenneth don't link nobody? Kenneth got call from down on here, have some problem, you know. You see me? Me there hold them fix it. We know what Kenneth do, you know. It would not take somebody who understand it that long, you know. So if I waste time on the track, especially the first couple meet them, if I waste the time on the track, when if you ask help from the right person, him think could have work out faster and better. Him having business to run, him having family to tend to, but sometimes you need to learn how to delegate. Done? The last meet, come like I kill one, me see and Robert alone run the whole. So me I say, this don't make no sense. And I say, Frost, why place look so? Why where's some man them there? Me no know. Me I say no, me want to know when the interview they come board apart they go. Because a 2-man basically run a whole meet. And that don't make no sense. You see me? That part don't make no sense.
Okay.
Something that we need to figure out the part there go. You see me? Because normally me say a bag man, I help him, and all of a sudden, me not see nobody. When I run on the rubber, me see one bag man, and he sees a I press down the rubber, me not see none of them something that happen again. So me I say, what happened now? I could have what this do, father. You see me? If people not support you, if it's a case where you're not getting support apps and extra people for help, it can happen, you know. Me reach out to Canada, I have no problem, I help you, my boy. You see me?
Yeah.
All right. So, we can touch upon most of the thing them. And
all right.
anything when we say we're wrong, we want them correct me in the next live. Believe me.
All right, sir. It's now 13 minutes after 10. And I think we've been on from what? 8 o'clock? Yo. Yeah, the road's still on here. You're born off.
Right.
You're born off. Anyway, we're not going to waste any more time. We're just going to allow some persons to ask some questions like about the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, man.
So questions for Onair peeps in the chat room, you can ask. You can go ahead and ask now. Bali is saying big up Onair, Sir Onair.
Bless up Bali, no sir, I know vexation thing, but you don't know. We have a little race of a second.
All right. Ricky is asking why you fire Kenty.
I don't fire Kenty. I just tell him I know say Kenty don't have the time to give me what I need to get done. I explain to you, say, yo, I talk to him on that, and I give him a heads up beforehand. You understand? If I have thing them around Kenty busy now, when I call Kenty, you know, me call it back on here. 51 million call this brother you know. You see me? So we know say something there. We know say definitely I'm too busy to take me what I want to get. So let him talk already. You see me? I tell you, if you ask him, I talk, if I see me not feel good about something, I'm gonna tell you straight, so I don't feel good about it. When the whole is, when me have the whole discussion with something, I tell you exactly where that bother me go. Right, because you don't need to go around and have a man unnecessarily. You must get and talk about it and get it out of the way, though.
Yes,
I know some abrasive at times, you know, I know I'm extremely abrasive, you know. I just talk to come on my mind, you know. I may hurt feelings or something still, but at the end of the day still, I don't really want you vex me want. If you could have moved past it and go on, everything would have better for me.
Long time.
Yes,
Yeah, Matthew is asking if it's a built motor. No.
Matthew, may I talk after you? I'm tell you, I'm not release something on the car, but you don't even pick sense out of nonsense. I'm not even tell you, I come for the record. I start motor, but I come for the record.
All right.
You understand? No, man. Oh God, Matthew full of specs, you know, brother. You see me? 10-7 was my best time, Mike.
What engine?
You hear back shell down there. Eh?
On here, somebody's asking which engine in the Civic?
The J32A2. That's from the Type S Acura. Them.
Power Goal BG Tuning is asking what's your power goal?
Well, let me need to answer that one. All right. Honestly, the power goal is about 600.
Okay.
That's 600
Marcus.
That's 600 for the Nitrous. 600 all motor.
600 all motor.
That's what I would like to see. But below realistically, I'll get 5 something.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Marcus is asking, remote tune or tuner coming down?
Tuner coming because we need the traction to set up and some testing and some dialing in.
Okay. Still around the ported head?
Yes, I personally hand ported that head.
Okay.
Right.
Cool. Question now. Question, what is your best time?
10-7.
All right, cool. Questions, more questions coming up. Let me see now. Hey, a whole question are coming in on here. What time is it looking for?
Who is going to tune the car? Aaron O'Neill. Aaron O'Neill from English Racing is coming to tune. If you look on Horsepower Academy, HP Academy, they did an interview with him and his Civic. He runs half mile with his car. He makes like 1,200, I think it is. No. Right.
Ansman is asking why your car can't done it. Can't done.
All right, here we go now. Boy, that one is a tickly situation. But I just say, but they pay for some parts, and I couldn't get the parts. And I never bother rush the car to finish it. I buy some slicks, and order my fuel, and some I end up do everything for myself. I get, based on discussion after the whole thing, it was said that there was a miscommunication. But when you feel hurt about it, I'm a call and cuss. I give people, yo, it's not a man that does call and cuss randomly. I'm going to get the time first before me come out and say nothing to you, see me? So, see Kenneth I say it's my fault. I feel him fault technically. Why? Because the car could have been done in January. And I decided to change some other things and just take my time. And it all end up reaching me now. My key member on my team, out of my 3-member team, he died. Which is hardly right. Yeah, he died. And me and him from basically inception because me, him and Dwight the drop off. And just me and him and Kenneth. And now Frost come on to give me a hand. Very good boy, but I say, yo, me and this man rub the Civic over there when we are sprayed. So till when the earthquake come, so what did I rub in the kitchen and I rub the car, earthquake coming up, I wanna feel it, And I say, why them people don't stop in nice man? And my father come and say, you feel that? I say, feel what? They say, well, I rub all car in the shed, man. You see me? Earthquake come and everybody a ball and some, you see me? And we don't feel we just stay there at work and we put in the hours and we get it done. And oh, by the way, my address is right now. The people them keep saying the car is what? Speed Factory, the paint design. But it is not Speed Factory. I have a Mazda RX-8. A matter of fact, make Frost go and drive because I must have it there and him have it at drive. And if you look on the paint scheme on that car, it's the same paint scheme, apart from the silver is no white on the race car. It's the same way it's been painted from 2009. That car painted that way. You see me? So we never team nobody design because Speed Factory not even deboard when we do my RX-8 that way there.
Right. All right. So, somebody's asking after the race with you and Bali, who will be the next target? Who next on the list?
We don't need for next target. Next target now take Xavier time from him, man. So we can get Xavier racing again. Because if a man can say, yo, how much year now I set the record, I did not come back till a man beat the record, then of course we're going to call him back, beat the record and then say come back. You understand? It's me, one, if you follow Prianta, you notice that Prianta they put up a V6 for them page. You know why Prianta put up a V6 for them page? So I'm reach out to him to buy some parts. I'm going to tell him what, and I'm asking him what the build. As so comes, him post that right after about J series, that post on the Prianta page, You understand?
Hey.
All right. Because then him ask me the question, and I'm answer him. Right after that, him say, guys, what do you think about if I did something there on nitromethane? If you do the something, when name the V6 for the nitromethane, because the K series, I don't think it can go much faster in my opinion. Where Jamie Marsh have it right now, I don't feel like him can significantly lower the time. You see me?
Okay.
No, I'm not going to answer that gearbox question and not get too deep. Biggie B, see what you need to do is move your time because you're stuck. You be Mr. Biggie B stuck. You understand? You go move your time first and tell me whether you can. But we're gonna come out and we're gonna run. And we're gonna run real good. You understand? I think I'm going to disappoint, honestly.
All right. Let's take 5 more questions before we wrap up the live. But before we take those 5 questions, I just want to say a big shout out to the sponsors of tonight's live: Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zedach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, Kaizen Wrecking, and Kaizen Car Sales. All right, so five more questions on here, and
in the meantime, I have to say thanks to Nesbeth. You see me, boy, Nesbeth, they come and save me. Because normally, I'm not gonna lie to you, the other guy that used to do my welding for me, and him they really busy. You see me, and Nesbeth, not even know that Nesbeth lives so close to me, over Spanish Town, you see me? Big up Tipper, you see you, bless up. And Nesbeth come and I tell you, say, yo, him prices them good, it's a good youth, him very affordable. He make racing possible. You see me? Yeah, Ken right now money well for me. But I tell you, say, boy, Nesbeth come and made him work with our tar good youth. That brother heart clean, man. One of the few too, you see me? I'm have to big him up for that. And more big up something to for him interview. When him Mr. Mr. Z, the Z. You see me? They said very honest. I don't want him to love with him. They said honest. You see
Which
me?
one?
I don't want to be lying, you know, tell the truth. Yeah?
A 2Z, come on, you know. Bossy D at all?
No, man, not proper. When name?
Bossy D?
Bossy D, yes. But I would say, yo, I respect Bossy D for him interview. You understand me? I say, if you do it, say, him can't stop and then go back and say, him have a billet oil pump still, but I give him a pass on that. You understand? You see me? I give him a pass on that one. We're not going to ball on him on that. You see me? Bossy D thing, I have to respect him for that. Even though sometimes I'm not going to tell you say, nah, within 50 pass them when he come out. But it just is what it is. You understand?
So Bossy D, one of man where they referred to earlier then?
No, not really, no. But I'm more referred to because Bossy D actually run decent times. You understand what I say? And when him go in performance, it's spectacular. I have to give him that. You understand what I say? I have to give Bossy D in rating something. I like hearing him shift the car sound good or something. But I refer to some of the other little man, like, you know, the pastor looking something and the little one there, the little Daihatsu them and them something there. It annoys me, man. That definitely annoy me. You see me? Yeah. You know your car is a 15-second car. You cannot drive it down no faster. You zero the time, how much time? Don't come again. You already zero the time, you have the perfect thing. Why you come across Sunday morning and make some more passes? You already have the perfect time to know
because more crowd there on a Sunday morning. Remember say man want show no man.
Too fast, man. You see me? You don't take a 2 pass and lock it down, man. You know, I'm just make the man come out now and you have other people who want to do it too, you know.
All right, boss. You don't talk like the brother what them call Isle Boss. Isle Boss now yo. How him care again?
Why the pass or something looking pass or something?
The man will Isle up the whole I left lane, man. I make Kenty I forget that.
Why you know what annoy me? I tell you, post milk they annoy me when I look for the back of the car and the spelling wrong for the sticker. I mean I say as a big man still. What the fuck you end up wrong? Sorry. What the hell you end up wrong have some misspelling by your car? Right up on the video. We probably have to go international at some point. And the people that don't want poor Jamaica I said, Jesus Christ, so one of them does they can't spell that word there, they can't spell that word, they have it stick up on the back of the car.
So which word post milk spell wrong now on here?
Boy, I don't remember, I have been doing one picture. I say I laughed at that shot. Yeah, racing with that E. Racing with that E. When they see I say, yo. You see me? Oh, you know what I'm saying?
It's a mistake.
Yeah, but fix it now. It don't look good. You know, I don't put it out and drop it back. It don't look good. You see me? But here it is now. The next thing I want to ask is, why Specs stop dealing with me? And I'm going to say, he don't know what I talk about, but hear the story. When we used to bring in little parts and laptop and sell when I never had work, Yeah?
Yeah.
Specs reach out and say, yo, them innovate wide band gauge that we have, but them me use. Sell me one. I sell him one. He must do something and mess up the gauge. He might ask for the next one. So I said to him, say, yo, you know, so I build a car. Them time I talk was 11s. I said to him, say, 11s, I come out come running now. You see me? I made him sell him a slicks too. I sell him some 13-inch slicks, the wide one them with the pan car. And Specs say, oh, that not happen. I said, we not go see. 11s, I come out come run. And I come out with Nitrous. You see me? And the man said, oh, that not happen, rare-rated. I said, all right, we not go see, we laugh and we part away. You see me? And I come to Bob, I come out on the car with the level one, all motor now record. Remember that? You see me? And I reach out, I wire one 2 ZZ to my brethren. And I reach out to him to see if I could get the wiring diagram. I call him, no answer. I message him, he left me on red. So I said, I want to do that, brother, do all that. I message him again next time after some time, left me on red. So I said, what? I want me to do specs, no for specs. Nah, answer me, never return call, no nothing. You see me? Me and somebody that I have none to talk about, and I said to him, say, yo, I left my car go run. You see me? I know my fault say your car never make it to 11s. You see me? I said, I know my fault that. Me give you good slicks. I also make you lower your time down to 12, was it 12-0 or 12-1. Before that, you did high 12s and 13s. So all the shit now, we come now to the reach to the point where me I see and hear you, and you no answer. Me looking at your phone with your head so me I say, what is? I could have what this? Where? Me could have do them man now. For them man stop dealing me. When I reach out to him and ask him that, make him message me. Because I tell him say, yo, me message him a million times. It's not like him say, maybe lose my contact. I say, yo, I Onair this. With the cellular, they innovate wide band gauge. Read it. You read it. And you not answer.
Well,
and you not answer.
Onair, there's always two sides to a story, sometimes
that's
more.
That's what I said. But I want to know when me do him. And I saw little man that, yo, kid, I want to things happen to you know. Me all the day and people come to me and say, yo, the guy, this is what says sponsor you. I say, who sponsor me? When there? Come on, want the money right now, come broke. I'm gonna run going. You see me, I say? People out there talk things about my car, say them pay for this, them do that, and they was going to do this and do that. I'm here back. You see me? At one point, me the year say the Rasta from some of the camp of him that build me car. I don't know how true it is, but Ross built me here said that build me car at one point. So me end up saying me and him line up out there in a qualifying, and Frost come and say, Ross built that, you know, me hold that go. I say, yo, he must say, make sure you keep out in teeth, you know, isn't it? When I go out in the kitchen, I'm a move left him, you know. The car now find the second have a problem, no second, 3 times. I drive the second before it select, you see me? So the rest, the brother passed me now in the CRX, you know. He said me drive second, and slide past him and come up back. And I say, all them come and stay so. And I say, yo, the Rasta car they slow. And what that go? Me drive my second 3 times, I still run like 11-4. You see me? I say, one time I can run at 12, one time, you know. You see me? My car don't know what them the class to be, you know, brother. You see me? And I carry me a miss gear on them someday, you know. My car still a pull 11s tonight, you know. You understand? Okay. So when the Rasta see so, and the Rasta look at me, come and say, yo, in my mind, I say, yo, man, I believe the room, man, until improve himself, you see me? So I say, yo, that's slow, you know, man. One car can so slow. And what up, man? That's good. So I chew on the heat, man, you know. Rasta hold on it. Calm, see so. You see me, humble, you know.
Hold on. So you're saying that the flagship car for Team Ras built, you're calling that car slow?
The truck, man, the one when we are nothing.
You're calling that car slow?
That's what I said today. Because I said, it me second 3 times. See? Me second 3 times, bam, bam, bam. Upon the 3rd time, me select. Go on my gas, lock you back and pass you. That car slow. Because you have to open up my feelings, you know. Say, he must say, build my little car, you know. You see me? Because that me here, till you say, you know what do that, you know. You know that I already know. So you go in for me at them time, you know. Me they are race mode, war, you know. You understand? But come to kill, you know. We know, go there now, I'm say yo, for Frost say yo, don't make him live. And that Frost reach up and say yo, Frost say yo, Onair, Rascal that, you know, kill that, you know. That's what you say, that dead, say no, say less. Say less. You see me? And so you say, yo, Rascal get a ratchet flyby to the normal, you know.
So you say when you come back to the pits, Rasta hold on him head? That's what you saying?
No, because me start talking on the top of my voice. My voice is loud enough, brother. You see me? My voice goes, I'm going to say, yo, that's slow, that's not good. What that's sure that's not good. You see me? I say, yo, me can't miss 3 seconds 3 times. You see me? Me can't miss second 3 times and you not beat me? No, you can't not good. You can't me a taunt, you know. But the rest don't answer me, the rest of the whole of see you so. You see me?
Okay.
That's the whole of see you so. You see me? The proper flyby and get man. The race them get a proper flyby. You see me?
Wow. Well, boy, is a whole if you observe tonight, you know. A whole if a thing said on the live is a good thing. Is a good thing we can get for uploaded to the YouTube channel. For all those who miss it tonight, it will be uploaded to the YouTube channel. Let us take 2 more questions. I did say 5 earlier, but time is going. So let's take 2 last questions before we wrap up. And you know, of course, you can give a shout out to your sponsors or anybody.
Don't even drop that I think name. That might I'll race against me. I never that race. And when you come up back, that might say, yo, but you care so fast. I say, brother, you that race? Me never that race you. I say, but me that race? I say, yo, you're alright, man, you're good, man. That might you get all your flyby, you know. Remember that, you know, brother.
So lad, it look like it's a new talk. I go touch back the track. Whenever it is that we touch back the track, flyby. So everybody I get a flyby.
That one drop yes, but no one me. I got the front wheel drive, no boy.
Okay. You had something where you're saying we did touch the Ricky, you did touch something you did about Ricky already?
Ricky's the next one, man. Because when my boy that trick him up. When him trick? Yes, man, both of them doing car, man. Say, yo, can I make 4 bills? 4 bills. I'm not saying Ricky go easy, man. And 4 bills don't look right. You see me? And I talk him now. I try him that say, yo, your 4 bills not right, dog. The 4 bills are not 4 bills. You see me? When it's really nice, you hear that, I say, yo, have little sense, no Ricky, don't make him man rape you. Don't make the man rape you because the money hard to come by. When you alone do the tractor work or something, you know, they're there. You see me? So when you spend the money to get where you spend for. You see me? And I talk to the man. The man I say, oh, I kick out your teeth. I'm a 3-piece front. I see your 3-piece front and make care fast on the what? You see me?
So Onair, let me ask you this.
Yeah.
How else would they see that 400 horsepower if the car didn't make it?
Yo, you ever see the video on YouTube? Because I'm a YouTube specialist, you know. You can go as far as to rub the sensor, temperature sensor for the dyno and the power go up, you know. Warm it up, you know. You didn't know that?
Okay.
Not because you make 4 bills for the dyno, right? Doesn't mean say you go up on the next dyno and make 4 bills, you know.
Okay.
You understand? If you have the thing with Ricky young to it, and Ricky don't listen. See, now some of the time the man them tell you a thing. If you listen to them, I not say take it as gospel, but consider what them say could be true. You understand what I say? Consider what they're saying could be true. Now, if you watch back that video, even can comment on it in the thing. Can as far as can and everything can comment on it. They said to him, say, yo, 4 bills, you know, seem right, seem like Ricky, you want to check that back, you know. You see me? Alright. Can go on here, bet. We know say wife in the day wait for you to go in. Go on in, my friend. Go on in.
But are you on here? You know, say you make everybody do up right now, no? Are you make nobody not see that now?
Yo, let me see the match ever talk about Puffy in the thing. Why Puffy's the next man for himself, my boy. Puffy's the next one. Puffy's the type of one where would I ask you a million things about your bill and you can ask him one thing about female. You get me? I say, I don't like that. You get me? I say, you must say to yourself, yo, but you don't have to answer. You don't have to answer, no. Which is true, I don't have the answer. But, you know, say, okay, the one over there, Puff is a good tuner, I'm not going to knock him and say, Puff is not a good tuner. Puff is a good tuner. You see me? I love saying, him though, he move up, he step up him thing and start with himself and do it the right way. And something, you understand me? I say, I get better results. You see me? But, we don't like that, because we reach out to Puff one time, I say, what do you mean by 3-step launch controller? Because I never understand them time the how to get the car to go past the launch controller and go like panel limiter to do a burnout. But I say, how you get that for the 3-step? I say, yo, I don't even know what a 3-step is. I say, what you say? You don't know what a 3-step limiter is? I guess it's a 2-step with another step. So I say, okay, sir. Okay, say less. Say less. So through that, we hear him and we talk to him or something. But is a man who will behave as if him alone can make fast car. If you get the message to you. Other people can't make fast car too. I don't need to acknowledge other people's work. You see me I say? That part of me don't respect about them. You see me? In terms of that. Don't come and say like, you know, you're quick to find fault when everybody else build and white never run fast. You see me? Don't something there. Don't say that.
Onair.
That's why you get a flyby. That's why you know you get a flyby. You didn't lose or you never lose when you're not racing when I was racing. After partner first. You see me?
Onair.
Yeah.
I want to say it is now 40 minutes after 10, and that pretty much would. I mean, we passed the wrap up long time, right?
Yeah, man.
But what about, for example, last point before we wrap up? You're open to sponsors for your new project?
Yes, of course. Of course. We don't made up money. Of course. You see me?
All right, cool.
The only person who would have probably reject it from a drone, because I'm going to tell drone to go build her car and come. You understand what I'm saying?
But drone have a parts store now. Suppose him want to sponsor some performance part.
No, I'm going to tell him to keep it and go build a car and come. You understand? Because him say he want Bali build a car for him. So, Bali and him crew, everybody when I push out, no clip the wall of them wing them.
Even the starlet? Even the starlet?
You mean starlet and starlet?
Jardine.
Jardine starlet?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, right now. Right now. You understand? You realize that Jardine's best time with him 500 or something, almost like 10-9? No, Jardine no ever cough. Whoa, no, you don't ask me a question like that. Because you will have the information, you still ask me them something to forget the people them right up in the thing.
No, but if I know that don't mean to say other people know. I have to ask so other people can know.
Right. But of course, we are saying.
Yo, Onair, here we are going to do. We're going to cut it right there now. We're going to make your shout out and we're going to wrap up the live. Trust me.
All right, boy. Let's go.
Yeah, man, shout out, man.
All right, no, that's the sponsors them. I was going to say, smartphone shipping really fast and reliable. Want to thank some there. Nesbet, Kenty, Frost, and Ketra Trading especially. Also big up to 87th Street and all the people them have done more love, all the fans them who did the same way. Hansman, big up, you see me? Remember me selling you the 3-piece front. You never buy it from nobody with teeth, nothing. I have to defend it in the group. Big up to all of them, big up Lizzie, big up Omar, everybody. You see me? We know it go. Big up matches the same way. Matches don't answer the question them way you don't know the answer to. I tell people them say, me say. But the people them say, me never say. You understand? Me never put no case series in my car and all them something there. You know, big up on yourself, bless up for the 3 hours. You never expect it to go so long. You know where to go. Most respect to me, no vexation. Straight love. Heal and what you same way.
Now where you say,
yes, I'm international friend them. See you. Support them. See you. Big up.
We have to bring her back on the live.
Huh?
We have to bring her back for a second installment of this live tonight, you know.
That's reach out, man. We're not there for the lockdown, man. I know my star work for the car next week. Like how there's something to free up. You see me? Big up Damage, same way, you see me? Damage show me a couple things, so I have to tell him big up. Van, everybody, you see me? Spinners, all around, big up, boy. Big up. Bless up.
All right.
You see me?
All right. Yeah, man. So on that note, I just want to say, thanks again for making the time on here for, really, honestly, tonight live is a live with a difference. You understand? And for persons who have been asking in the comments if we will be uploading it, yes, we will be uploading it to our YouTube channel. So all the interviews that we have done already, they are on our YouTube channel, and this one will be uploaded as well. So, yeah, check it out. Everybody,
the matter about the van. Whoa. The van. Only thing what me say about the van is that I'm sure say my van costs more than Jones M4. That was the only thing. Whenever I say AM4, I say June M4. So when I get that under the skin, quick and fast. You see me?
Oh boy. All right, big up on here. Everybody,
all right, bless up.
Yeah, all man, right. And remember, tomorrow we'll be live again. And hopefully we'll be live next week as well. I just want to say big up to the sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Zidat Performance, Massive Auto Parts, Kaizen Wrecking, and Kaizen Car Rentals.
Oh, and Kaizen, you buy me a fuel pump for me, so tell them thanks. But if you get to
big up Kaizen.
As much as me and him no deal, big up Kaizen same way. You see me? Me and him don't deal for some personal reason, but
cut it right there.
The pump I work good same way, you see me?
Cut it right there.
All right, cool. Later.
Look at it. Easy.
Yeah.